gymnast. I beat a 6'9" bodybuilder, a world champion cheerleader, and my dad. This kid is going down.
My name is Nidal Wonder. I'm a 10-year-old freestyle flipper. I beat a team of epic acro gymnasts twice, and Lily Ketchman. This little girl ain't seen nothing yet. You're messing with the wrong 10-year-old.
No, you're messing with the wrong 11-year-old.
Whoa. Round 1, photo challenge. Do something off this.
Oh, this is the thing I do best. Like, I'm definitely gonna win this round. You see that corner right there? I'm gonna go ahead and do a side flip off of it.
Okay, I'll hold this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow.
I don't really like that. I'll do a Superman dive. Those are cooler.
Superman dive. Hurry. Wait.
You ready?
Yeah, okay, ready? Go when you're ready.
Don't make it good.
Make it good.
No, make it horrible.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! That was so cool.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
Salish, look at this. Back arch. Okay.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do something on the rail to make it more impressive so he doesn't win.
Put these on, go over here, hold the thing way over split like you're sunbathing. Stand on that thing right there. Hold it. Chin up. There you go, stay right there. It's great. Yank the leg. Yes. There you go. Got it. Boom, you're going down the dog. That's not okay. You don't have to jump again.
That's good.
Yay.
For each round, I'm gonna find a stranger to pick the winner. Every week, we pick a subscriber of the week to feature and give something away. If you like and share this video, you could be next. I think I see 2 strangers to vote for the first round. So we're doing a photo contest. Can I show you each a photo and you guys vote which one won the first round?
Okay. Yeah.
We call this the Superman.
He's gonna win definitely.
This adorable little girl happens to be my daughter, no favorites.
So we're gonna pick Nidal.
Nidal wins round 1! Uh-oh. Round 2, sack race.
I am much faster than her in my legs, and I have more of a hop.
Whoa.
I do conditioning every single day at gymnastics on my legs, but otherwise I think he's gonna win.
Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3!
Oh no!
So far, oh, it looks like Nidal's gonna no Salish! Pick it up, Salish! No, get up! Go! Salish, no! It's all over! If you want to see a part 2, give us 100,000 thumbs up and we will do a rematch. Round 3, rings.
What's up?
Whoa!
This is a photo challenge. They each have to do something creative with the rings. Nidal, you're first.
Yes. So I'm gonna grab one ring and then the other one with the other hand, go upside down and then flip off really straight.
Dang it, that is gonna be cool.
Okay, let's see what this looks like.
Can you help me up? You gonna do it?
Oh, I did it!
Push him really far out. Okay, are you ready, Nidal?
Yep.
That's really good, right?
He has to be in my shot since I volunteered to be in his shot. Nidal is not gonna be able to do what I'm gonna do.
Put you in there, you hold on, and then over split. All right, ready, say? Yep. You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please don't fall on me.
Really straighten those knees and go. Yes.
Oh.
That was painful, but I can do the same thing.
All right, I'm gonna take a photo of this. Not 100% sure about that, Nidal. Can I ask you to help us out with a judging thing? Could you judge around? The cutest little girl on earth.
That's impressive.
Nidal.
Oh, wow. That's cool too.
Okay.
Consideration, I didn't do a flip off of it.
Take it into consideration, I held it for 10 minutes.
Salish.
This contest is really close, and the winner gets to ride a roller coaster. Give me the one.
My feet hurt so bad. I had to do that a million times. Oh.
That was all me.
Let's find out who wins this thing.
Oh, this guy!
They are challenging each other. Salish matter. Nidal Wonder.
That's pretty cool.
Salish is down 2-1, so this is either gonna make it a tie score, or Nidal's gonna run away with it.
We're gonna have to go with Nidal.
Nidal! I do not agree! Her leg was straight up, the smoke was everywhere.
It was pretty nice.
Can we ask 2 more people and whoever gets more.
Nadal 3, Salish 1. We gotta pick this up or it's gonna be over early. This day is a non-stop game of tag between these two kids. They are only 11 years old, so they are way too young to ship. Do not ship them. I don't want to see this hashtag anywhere. Next round, handstand walk. Whoever gets further wins.
I'm excited because he can do a handstand, but not as good as mine, I don't think.
Okay, yeah, that's kind of true.
Oh. Nadal is still. He's going backwards. He's going backwards. He's going. Oh, Salish. Oh, right here. Salish, you got to get past me because you're losing big. Okay, I know you can do this. You've learned this in gymnastics. You got this. Hey, let's do this. Okay, so you're halfway there.
No, you're not gonna make it.
You got it. You got it. Keep it. You got it. Keep those legs. Yes, keep walking. You're almost there. Keep it. A couple more steps. Yay! She did it.
I'm still in this, 3-2. Yeah!
Subscriber of the week is Kelsey Conway. Kelsey, let's see what you won.
Go, Kelsey!
She won $100. Kelsey, you get $100. Make sure to like this video and share it. You could be next.
Oh, yeah.
Next round photo challenge using this telescope as your prop. Nadal, you go first. What do you got?
So I'm gonna use this as a prop to fly, and it's gonna be epic.
Oh my gosh, right? While you're flying. You gotta get your back leg up just as high. You gotta make a big expression. I'd be rooting for you if you weren't going up against my daughter. Nope, you're going like this. See how that is like your shoulder and...
Don't give him advice. You could just forfeit. That would be too bad for myself.
The photo's not about the pose, it's about the expression, about the story. Go, ah! That's a huge whale out there.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you nailed that last one. Salish, I'm really rooting for you, but if you don't win this, I think it's over. So you gotta win this round. I don't know what you could do that's that good. That's really good.
I think I can do better. Needles are my specialty. Actually, ring is my specialty.
Hold on, isn't that what you did with the smoke?
Leg hold is my specialty.
No, that's not gonna work.
Actually, scorpion's my specialty.
Good. Yes. Good. That worked.
I did a couple of different things, but at the end, I finally nailed it.
This photo's gonna win for sure, because I look like I'm flying.
I'm gonna show you 2 photos. You tell me what you like more.
All right.
It's either gonna go to a tiebreaker or somebody's about to win this competition, okay?
Okay.
Nadal.
Wow, you guys are awesome.
Number 2.
Oh my gosh.
Who won that round, Oreo? Salish won that round. Oh my gosh, we're going to a tiebreaker. I'd like to introduce all of you to my production manager, Alex. That's right, he is a cheer specialist from UCLA, and each kid is gonna have to partner with him for the final round.
I want to win this so I can go to the pier and ride the roller coasters and rides. I'm so excited.
He's not gonna win. I think I'm gonna win because I did cheer with Navarro from Netflix.
To determine who goes first in the final round is an arm wrestling contest. Okay, ready? Here we go.
I got her.
Salish!
Let's try, Jordan.
Oh, you want to take me on?
3, 2, 1.
Oh. You think I'm gonna lose to an 11-year-old? Nadal, somehow you the face is a 2.
He's like this.
Do I feel good about this?
Yeah. Down, and then you jump. And the trick is the reason.
That's so fun.
Down.
That looked a lot better than his first time. His first time was.
2.
Replay his first time.
He threw it in the air. You just went.
Oh, now you got it.
Throw me as high as you can. That was fun.
Jump
Okay, don't,
really
Alex. Don't in any way throw her as high as you can.
Yeah.
This is freaking me out.
Whoa. Yeah.
Oh, my arms are perfect with the hand.
We got Victor, he's an acro specialist.
Hello, how you guys
He's gonna vote the final round. Nadal
Oh, nice extended hand.
versus the little girl.
Oh, wow.
The tween champion goes to...
Salish.
Okay, Salish won the roller coaster, but come on, I gotta let them both do the ride.
Oh my gosh, you're next.
We're next.
Today, my daughter Salish and 5 of her friends are competing to see who's better, boys or girls. Things are gonna get really personal. Have you ever kissed any boy?
Are you dating anyone?
What? What'd you say?
Salish.
Today we are finally gonna find out who is better, boys or girls. First skill is teamwork. You'll have to work together to get out of the box.
What are we doing here?
How are we supposed to get out of here?
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay, guys, we just need to use our nails. I don't have nails.
I have an idea.
I'm gonna be watching everything they do inside their boxes on this monitor.
On 3, we're gonna take a deep breath and expand. That's a good idea. Let's do it.
Come on, guys, look it.
All right, let's do it. 1.
All right, boys got out of the tape. What? The girls got it.
Okay.
They both got out of the tape at the same time. Are you kidding? Okay, now you guys gotta get the keys and unlock the doors.
Shoulders. Yeah.
Wait, we just throw you up. Okay, all right. Okay.
This is super close. The guys have a definite advantage. Oh, it's already. Girls, you go. Oh, they both did it.
Go.
I got it.
This is gonna all come down to which team can work together and find the key to get themselves out the door.
This one. No, it's the other one.
Hey, one of the black ones. Try that.
The blue one. Oh. The silver. No, they're all silver.
Wait, no, it's not that one. It has to be. Try this one.
It's not the black one.
It's not that one.
Come on. They're gonna beat us.
Oh my God.
Did we get it? Let's go. That was so easy, Jordan. You're gonna have to do better than that.
The boys will need to be careful with what they ask for because every challenge gets more and more out of control, starting with the next challenge. You gotta join the girls in their room. Bye-bye, nice and tight. Who's better, boys or girls? That's actually a really difficult question to answer, but with these 7 challenges, we're gonna do our best to find out.
What are we doing?
The challenge is patience. You guys just hang out, and when somebody leaves, that team loses. The boys think they're better, and the girls think they're better, but whoever wins this competition is gonna find out what's in this mystery box, and it's gonna be for them.
Oh, this is light work.
You have no patience. You're like jumping off the walls every second.
They think it's easy right now, but just wait. We have some fun challenges to make it a little bit harder. Starting with a special visit from Tsunami's brother, Diesel. Diesel! I don't think you're gonna be screaming for him for long.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hey, stop! No, whoa. Okay. Well, that didn't work. I guess we're gonna have to make it even harder.
Oh my God.
Let's see how you like being in a tiny room
Okay, that's enough. You're gonna crush us.
with a screaming baby. Anybody want to come out?
No.
It's not even loud.
Both teams are really impressing me with their patience, but I've got a different idea now. If you want to come out, you can have whatever is in this briefcase.
What's in it?
You know what people usually have in suitcases?
Is it good though?
It's kind of tempting. Look at Jordan's face. Okay, you're right.
There's nothing in that suitcase.
All right, there's nothing in it?
I don't believe it. No way.
Now it's too late.
Oh my God.
What?
Are you serious?
Next time you see this briefcase, you might want to jump at the opportunity. That's all I'm saying. And if $1,000 isn't enough to get them to leave, I have no choice but to use my secret weapon. Rowan has been outside for the last 45 minutes sprinting. He's not wearing any deodorant.
I'm leaving. We're gone.
Everybody say hi to Rowan.
Oh my God.
What's up,
That's nasty.
I think it's water, but just in case.
It's locked! Yeah! Help!
So far, boys have more teamwork and more patience than girls.
No. All that proved was they have no hygiene.
That's a good point.
You stink, bro.
We are going to find out who's stronger, boys or girls. What do you think? We are going to do a handstand competition. The last team with somebody in a handstand wins a point. However, Kato has an injured shoulder, so you're not allowed to go. You are automatically eliminated from this. Go. Tsunami, to make it fair, you go. All right, now it is 2-on-2. James and Jensen, Salish and Eliana.
That's right.
Hold a handstand. Last person holding it wins the point for their team. You think you're stronger because they're girls, don't you?
Oh yeah, we got this. This is easy.
Oh, please win this one.
I think we might win.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, he's already down, James. Okay, Jensen is holding it. Salish and Eliana are holding it. Oh, it's gonna be Jensen versus Salish and Eliana. How you feeling?
I'm great.
Eliana, do not let your boyfriend beat you. Jensen is holding it by himself. Hold it all. You're shaking.
My knee is really itchy,
Salish,
Dad.
do not itch your knee. Girls, lock in. Lock in.
Come on, Jensen.
Hold it, Salish. Do not let go. No, Delia, Salish. Hold it, hold it, hold it, Salish. Do not let it go. Do not let a boy beat you in strength.
Guys. Salish is so meticulous.
Salish, Salish, stop looking.
You can't do that. Okay.
Just breathe. Jensen has got to be getting to.
Jensen,
Salish, come on.
Jensen.
No, Salish, stop looking. Just focus. Lock in. Breathe. Girls are strong. Find the power. Salish,
Oh, no.
hold it. Oh, yes! Yes! Wow, that was intense.
That was long.
My bracelet hurt my hand so bad.
I know.
Little girl, that was crazy. I'm not rooting for them. Girls won that round. Let's move on.
Girls are way better.
You made that look so easy. Next round, in the bag.
We were up for so long. Let's be honest, he was up against a level 8 gymnast. What?
That's true. That's true. She does that like every day.
Who's smarter, boys or girls? Each team pick one volunteer.
Kato, you got it.
No. Now you got it.
I feel like this is you.
I don't know if I trust Salish.
Hey! Prove it wrong. I think you can do it.
3, 2, 1, stop.
Salish proved me wrong.
Salish
What's good, y'all?
and Kato. Okay, Salish versus Kato.
How does that work out?
Kato and Salish go way back.
Tell me something you really like about me. You're cute.
But after one of our more recent videos, apparently TikTok decided they were soulmates. But seriously, can we not? This is a game to see who's smarter. Okay, all right, stop fidgeting.
I'm not fidgeting.
You were just fidgeting.
Okay, Wrinkles.
We're not gonna use that, right, Sandy? We're gonna cut. Kato representing the boys, Salish representing the girls. In one of these briefcases is a labubu.
Labubu.
Salish is gonna open her briefcase. You're gonna watch her reaction, and then you're gonna decide whether or not to keep your briefcase or to steal her. Because if you end up with a labubu, you win this round. Are you smart enough to be able to tell if she's telling you the truth or lying? Salish, open the briefcase and look inside. Kato will have to decide if the labubu is in Salish's case or his.
Well, what's in there? You don't know what's in the box?
If I say it, it's gonna give it away.
This is about intelligence. You have to read her mind.
May I help you, bro? Can you stop staring at me?
Salish is asking Kato to stop staring, but wait until you hear what she asks him later.
So, are you dating anyone?
Can you tell me what's inside that briefcase?
Your mom.
Oh, you found that funny. I'm gonna say that it is in there. That there is something in there.
Here, you can have it. Let's go. Let's go.
Is Salish excited because she doesn't have the labubu, or is she trying to trick Kato to pick his own case?
Wait, I don't want it. It's not in there.
I think
No.
you should take it.
No, it's not in there.
You think the labubu is in your briefcase? Mm-hmm. All right.
Yeah, it's in there. It's in my briefcase.
All right, open it up and see.
Let's go!
That was so good! She picked you out so bad!
Yeah! Do you see that? No! We're gonna get it to a subscriber, so comment below if you want it.
She outthought you.
That was pretty good.
For the next round, you have to pick one volunteer. You have 10 seconds, go.
For what?
Me?
The boys think they're better and the girls think they're better, but whoever wins more challenges today gets whatever is in this mystery box.
So me?
Yeah.
I'm scared. Okay.
And done. The two volunteers, please come out. Tsunami versus Jensen.
Let's go!
All right, who is faster, boys or girls? We're about to do a race. Let's go. Come on outside. This is a race. Tsunami versus Jensen.
Boys!
You get one false start. Second time, you're eliminated automatically. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. even went a beat early. Review. You gotta do it again. If you go early again, you lose the point for your team. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, Tsunami. Oh my God, this is so close. That was so close. Jensen won. Oh my God. Yes. Let's go. That was really impressive.
After a really close finish, it looks like the boys take home another win.
Boys. For the next round, each team has 30 seconds to pick one volunteer. Go.
Wait, what are we doing?
Wait, what are we
If the
doing?
girls want a chance to win this prize and prove girls are better, they kind of have to win this round.
I'll do it. Yeah, let's go. Okay.
And done. You each have to put this over the volunteers' eyes. This next challenge is who has more drip, boys or girls?
What?
Drip.
Who says drip?
Sandy, cue some of my fits. I know drip. Okay, maybe I don't.
The thing to say is who can throw a fit.
Who can, okay, right? Okay, Sandy, don't use that part. Next round, who can throw a fit?
What?
Yeah!
Us, obviously.
All right, everybody, bring it in, here we go. The two remaining teammates are gonna have 5 minutes to style the volunteer, and at the end we're gonna have surprise YouTuber judges to determine who wins this round. Go! Who do you think it is? Comment below.
So, what do we want to do?
The volunteer cannot help you, and they cannot look at what you're putting on them.
Okay, put this on.
What's the best option?
I like this. Oh, wait a minute.
That would look so good together.
Yes, that's so cute. Trust us.
Oh, it looks like the girls are putting together a pretty cute outfit.
We have to be crazy.
Wait, what do you mean crazy? Very extra?
Yeah, to make the judges laugh. You gotta trust us.
What is this?
I don't know what this is, but it's cool.
Baby suit.
Bro, yes! Boss baby. That's our boss baby.
I don't know about the boys. They keep holding this onesie. Are they actually gonna use it?
Wait, Jordan just said a onesie. I'm not wearing a onesie. No onesie.
We've got an outfit.
We low-key cook.
30 seconds, go!
Oh my God, guys, what are you doing?
They're all panicking. They don't know which outfit to pick.
Put all this on.
5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
I think we did it.
Time to meet the judges. Sophie Dossi and Tyler Vitelli.
Now they'll have to put on the outfits the other two picked out for them, and they'll be judged on their presentation and overall fashion.
Do boys or girls have more drip?
Hey, Boomer, come
Wait,
on.
20 years
Let's
ago?
Keep it going.
Yeah, let's go.
Anyway, we're gonna go with the boys first. You think you're gonna win this thing? Yeah, you think you're gonna win this thing?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. I believe the boys have an introduction here. Take this into account. There's an introduction.
Presenting the one, the only King Boss Baby Bowser.
Wah. Let's go.
That is good. I like that.
Okay, that was something. How do you think they did?
I'm pretty confident.
I'm feeling pretty good.
Can I ask you a question? Why did you guys go for the full, whole thing without...
We weren't gonna win if we actually tried.
So maybe you're gonna win on humor.
Hopefully, fingers crossed. I love you guys.
So judges, what did you think?
For the boys, I feel like the humor was there, it was funny, and they had great presentation. But the outfit, on the other hand...
Okay, what did you think?
Boss Baby is one of the greatest movies ever created.
Oh, you thought that was good?
That was fantastic.
Okay, girls, it looks like it's a split decision.
He's a boy.
Do you also have an introduction?
We didn't know we were supposed to do one.
Ooh, they don't have an introduction.
The outfit will make up for the presentation.
You guys are putting a lot of pressure on me here.
Presenting someone who doesn't need an introduction.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna open the door now, but
Let me help them out because this is hard to watch.
presenting the one, the only, the superstar, Eliana Walmsley! Oh yeah, okay.
We literally ate. It was so
You
good.
have to admit, bro, that was pretty good.
That was good. That was good.
No, you gotta finish it, finish it! Eliana Walmsley, everybody!
That was pretty good, wasn't it?
The cartwheel was bold, but let's see if she's still riding high in the next challenge.
I'm excited.
Jensen, you're not gonna take that much off. How do you feel? You feel good about that?
I'm feeling great.
Tyler, Sophie, what'd you think about that one?
It was alright.
What?
I mean, it was fine, but I feel like everyone can do the splits.
You should do the splits.
Yeah. I can do the splits, but do you want to go do the splits
I
then?
feel like you should demonstrate
No,
this.
everyone's seen me do the splits, but like they've never seen you do the splits.
Tyler, between us, you can't do this.
No.
Sophie, what did you think?
The splits, the back bends, and on top of it, I felt like her outfit was very New York Fashion Week.
I think it's time to bring out the 2 volunteers and to get scores.
You got this.
Stop oroforming. You're gonna look back and think you looked stupid.
You'll be thinking the same thing.
I'm not oroforming in every single TikTok I post.
She doesn't even know the lyrics.
Okay, this is you. Ready? This is you.
Bro, I do not do that.
You take off your shirt in the middle, you're like.
And we're gonna get back to the judging. I think we were judging a while ago, weren't we?
For the boys, we give them...
Let's go.
What?
We got this, boys.
For the girls.
All right, come on, girls, you got this.
I was debating between a 6, 7, so I decided between 6.5 for the girl.
Wait, that's good though. That's better. If we get a 10, then we won.
If I was the judge, I'd give you guys a 7.5.
Cool. If I was the judge, I would give you guys a 0.
Wow.
And for my score for the girls...
That means the girls have taken this round and they have more drip. Let's go!
I think because I just don't know anything about fashion,
Yeah,
I
you
didn't.
clearly don't. Yeah.
I think that was a problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, clearly.
I'm gonna go New York Fashion Week now.
Okay, before I give you guys the next challenge, I just want to tell all of you something really exciting. We are doing our very first meetup on September 6th at the American Dream Mall in New Jersey. We're gonna have a bunch of special guests and we're making a huge announcement and I hope all of you guys can join us. Link in description. This is the final round. How you feeling? You good?
Let's do it.
How you feeling? You good? And now, the final round to figure out who's better, boys or girls, is Truth or Dare. This is John, a certified polygraph expert. Girls first.
Let's go. Yeah, come on, girls.
Who do you want to nominate to go first?
Ellie, you're the oldest. You're the adult. Yeah, you're the adult, Ellie. That doesn't mean I have to go first.
Eliana, would you like to choose Truth or Dare?
I guess I'm feeling adventurous and I'll do a dare.
Oh.
No, what is it? No.
That's an evil laugh.
Is that a bad decision?
Now remember, if you don't want to do the dare, you can say pass and you automatically lose a point for your team.
Ellie?
I put this on Instagram and I asked for dares for all 6 of you. So the top dare for Eliana, well, it says, let Jensen cut your hair. Eliana, would you like to accept the dare or pass and lose a point?
Ellie, please accept it.
Get the razor.
It's my hair.
It will grow back.
My hair.
You're going bald.
Ellie!
Fine.
Oh, she's gonna do it!
No way.
Jensen and Eliana, come on out.
Where's the razor?
Here you go. Scissors. This is a big dare going over.
I'm excited.
No.
I actually didn't think Eliana was gonna pick dare, so I'm surprised about this.
The one time I am actually adventurous.
Jensen, you're not gonna take that much off.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude, no way. Eliana, you can still quit. You can still say no. No, you can still say no. No. Whoa!
Oh my gosh. All your hair. Oh my gosh. I feel so bad. I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. It's fine. No, I'm fine.
Oh, you're so dead when you get home. Oh, you're so dead.
Okay, that was rough, but the girls just got a point.
But this is nothing compared to what we have reserved for them later.
Did you ever have a crush on Biggie Norris?
Have you ever kissed any boy?
Oh my God.
What?
This challenge is about to get wild.
Okay, boys, who do you pick to go first?
Jensen.
Jensen's got it.
Okay, Jensen, do you want to pick truth or dare?
After watching what just happened to Eliana, I'm not picking dare.
Okay, so you want to do truth?
Yes.
All right, come on out and sit here for John, the polygraph expert.
Oh.
Dare?
He's scary.
Jensen, the super exciting thing about this is Eliana is going to be asking you the questions.
No.
I'm back. That
better than ever.
Jensen, you are now being wired up with polygraph equipment that will tell us whether or not you're telling the truth or lying. Eliana is gonna ask you 3 questions, and if you even lie once or refuse to answer a question, your team doesn't get this point.
Jordan, no!
Hey, I don't care what she asks, you better tell the truth.
This is so scary.
Eliana, ask question number 1.
Have you thought about breaking up with me within the last month?
No.
True.
Oh my God, bro.
That took a little too long.
That's not my fault.
Have I worn anything like that you thought was really ugly and you didn't like?
Jensen, breathe. Calm down. Gotta chill.
Yes.
What was it?
Maybe that like polka dot outfit that you wore, that was...
In my TikTok? Why didn't you tell me?
I was trying to be nice. I'm not gonna tell you look bad.
Because I don't look bad, it's just the outfit looks bad. You're on thin ice here.
Oh.
You never want to hear that from your girlfriend.
Question number 3. Be careful with this one.
Oh boy.
If you could date anyone else, who would it be?
Oh my God.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Only you.
You're 100% positive.
Yes.
John?
Oh my God.
True.
The boys win a point. Let's move it on.
I was so scared.
Why were you scared?
Because I'm hooked up to a lie detector.
Hey, W-Mans. We got it. Hey.
Don't mess this up though. Yeah, we got Don't mess this up.
Bro was looking at me when he said that.
I know Jordan's coming for you.
Okay, which girl is going next?
Tsunami!
Tsunami!
Okay.
Tsunami.
Yeah.
Truth or dare?
Truth.
This might be really bad.
Okay, come on out. Tsunami, you're gonna be asked 3 questions.
Okay.
And the person asking you is gonna be your brother Diesel.
Oh no. No, Jordan, no.
But I want you to remember while you're answering them, not only are we gonna know if you're telling the truth, but also your father is here. It's not too late. You can just say no, and your team does not get a point.
I'm gonna take one for the team, and I'm gonna answer the question.
Okay, wow, that red one is really spiking. Tsunami, dude, you have to chill. The spike is out of hand right now. Okay, just breathe, take a breath. When you're ready, say you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, Diesel, go ahead.
Have you ever had a crush on somebody, but told by that you didn't?
Yeah.
True.
Oh boy,
His face?
that's
Oh my
that's rough.
God.
Okay, Diesel, what's the second question?
Do you currently have a crush?
Diesel.
We're gonna go back here.
No. Sue! That was the most not true answer I've ever.
Okay, sure. Yeah, I have. I do.
Thank you.
True.
Oh my God.
I'm so good.
Oh my God! Oh, he's so mad.
Final question. I know he broke the chair.
I'm so cooked.
You're actually
Well, final question, Sue.
Did you ever have a crush on Biggie Norris?
Bye.
Okay, so the girls did not get a point for that round as Tsunami lied on the last answer.
Why would you do that?
Because my dad's here.
Your brother is the GOAT.
Everybody get back into the room. Get back into the room. Who's better, boys or girls, for the mystery present? You guys think you know what it is? Comment below. Boys, who's next?
James!
Okay, Kato, you're next. James, truth or dare?
I gotta pick dare, honestly.
No way!
Okay, the number 1 dare for James on Instagram says this. James, to match the tattoo you got of Salish on your arm, now get an earring piercing.
No! No, actually, you have no choice. You have to do it.
That's like aura though.
James, come on out. Sit right there.
I have a 10-year-old sister. She didn't even make a tear. You're fine.
Oh, and guess what? We kind of wanted to save some money because I didn't know if you were going to pick it, so we didn't get a professional. Instead, I'm just going to do it.
Have you ever done a piercing before?
No. How hard could it be? Look, I have instructions. Hold on, I'm supposed to, okay, hold on. Let me clean out in there. Okay, do that.
What do you mean you?
I think you're gonna have,
No, that looks
you're gonna have like a gold stud. It is sharp.
That's gonna look tough.
It's gonna look really tough.
You got this. Think about the ladies.
All right,
Do it for the
It
ladies.
hurts really bad, dude.
Ready?
That's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Other way.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh my God, he was doing it the wrong way.
Before I do this, I'm warning you, I've never done it before. I don't know how to do it.
Why are you telling me this?
Because I want to give you an opportunity to say no, and then you won't get a point. You don't have to do this. Oh, jeez. Okay, that might be a little dirty, but it doesn't matter. Use your head this way.
Oh my God.
3, 2, 1.
Mom, what?
What are you doing?
I was just gonna get an ear piercing. I was for the challenge. I have to do it.
No!
James, Mom, please, he needs
I
this
told
point.
you that I don't care.
No, we need this point.
No!
Mom!
Yay!
Okay, I guess you didn't get a point.
That's not fair!
Listen, if you want to do it so bad, here's the thing, right here. Who wants a piercing? Who wants a piercing? Colin, you.
No.
It is absolutely tied, and there's one final round of Truth or Dare to determine who's better, boys or girls, and then we will find out what's in the mystery box.
Boys!
Girls!
That was weak.
Appreciate your enthusiasm. We all know who's going for the final round for the girls. It's my little girl, Salish.
Let's go, Salish!
Let's go.
Salish, Truth or Dare?
I think I'm gonna pick Dare.
Come on out to hear your dare.
Okay, I'm scared.
Have a seat there.
Why am I sitting right here?
I'll sit right here.
I said Dare, not Truth.
I know. And your dare is to tell the truth to one question.
That's crazy.
This is in reference to the video we just posted when you went on a fake date with James and pranked me. The question is, in that video, you said that you couldn't say on camera who you've kissed.
Oh! I can't say that on camera.
So the dare, which is also a truth, and remember, you don't have to answer this.
Okay.
Have you ever kissed anyone other than the doll in that video?
Oh my God.
Oh, she's so guilty.
Salish, have you ever kissed any boy? Just remember, there's no judgment, it's totally okay. You're almost 16, kissing would be totally fine.
Actually, I'm not answering this.
What?
Say
Yes! What? Wait!
Let me take this thing off.
No, you just lost a point.
I'm not doing this anymore.
Salish, it is just a kiss, okay?
You can't tell your dad that.
Why not?
It's your dad.
What's he gonna do?
My grandparents watch these videos.
You are 15 now.
So?
It's normal.
My parents don't realize that.
I realize it. I said it was okay. I just want to say for the record, I'm glad you didn't answer it. It's your own personal business. Instagram wanted to know. I'm kind of happy I didn't have to hear that. Now get back into your box, please. Get back into your box. Salish didn't get the point, which means if Kato gets a point for his team, they win the mystery box, and boys are better than girls. So Kato, truth or dare?
Truth.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Come on out.
You got this, bro. You got this. Bro, my palms are sweaty.
Oh, he looks nervous.
You don't have to do this. But if you tell the truth with every question, your team wins, and boys are better, and you get the mystery box. Are you ready?
Okay.
Do you want to quit?
No.
Who would be the worst person you could imagine to ask you questions right now?
The person I'm looking at right now.
Lucky for you, it's gonna be me.
No!
John, you can wire him up. Kato, I've been through this with Nadal a few times.
I know.
I know what I'm doing.
Why are you shaking so bad? I'm pretty sure we know the answers to all of your questions.
Oh, you don't know the questions yet.
Why are you so red?
You're getting red. Calm down. There's millions of boys watching. They want to prove that boys are better than girls. They're counting
All
on
right,
you.
I got you.
Now, I want to remind you, we will know if you're lying, and also your mother is here watching.
Ooh, that's awkward.
Oh my God.
Yes. The other two that did truth had 3 questions, but
Yeah.
For this one, because it's final, I'm gonna do 5.
You know what? Fine. Go ahead. I don't care.
I didn't ask Instagram because I've got some questions for you.
Okay, I don't like this.
You and Salish knew each other for a while, and then you didn't see each other, and then you came back together with the Secret Admirer video, right?
Correct.
And she asked you 2 questions in the dinner scene.
Right.
Number 1, what's your type?
Girls that are kind, sweet, personality, and
Yes, it's mommy!
have green eyes,
Oh.
and are super nice.
True.
Okay.
Okay. You told the truth. That was sweet. It's not what you said last time. Last time you said it starts with an S, ends in a
H, and she matters.
and she matters. That was a good line, by the way. Smooth. Saw it on TikTok a lot, too.
Okay, now this is a little awkward.
Yep. Number 2, have you ever lied about having a crush?
No.
True. Number 3, I'm gonna play a TikTok for you.
Oh no.
And I would like to know who you are referring to in this TikTok, if you don't mind. You just posted it today.
Oh no.
So let me just...
Oh, I know what he's talking about.
Oh.
When you find yourself thinking about her all the time.
Oh.
Kato, calm down, put your hands straight. Do you need a minute? Do you need some water?
Please.
I think we're just gonna move on.
Please.
You can have water after. You don't have to answer the question.
But then my boys won't get a point.
Then you won't get the point, and then we'll go to sudden death. So just so you know, in all seriousness, this is fun, but you don't have to answer this question if it's too personal.
Yeah, you don't.
You don't. You can just.
don't.
You can
Yeah,
absolutely.
you can absolutely quit.
You have to answer.
Absolutely.
Tell
you
the
can
truth.
quit.
Come on.
Salish.
What? What'd you say?
Salish.
You were thinking about Salish in that TikTok.
Yes.
Okay. John?
True.
Oh, okay.
I gotta hide.
Yeah, me too. Her dad is crazy.
You should have lied.
You could have told us.
Why did you tell the truth?
Oh.
Jordan, how do
wow.
you feel about that?
That was a rough moment.
What's the girl's last name? There's only one Salish
Is
girl.
there another Salish?
Just make sure it's me.
Okay, we might need to take a breather before the final.
Bro, it's really hard in here.
Yeah, here's some water. Here's some water.
Jordan, I'm being so dead serious. This mystery box better be good.
The graph is crazy. He's going crazy. Dude, are you gonna, do we need to stop before you like have it, like, are you good? Okay, all right, Kato, breathe, let's get it back. 2 more questions. If you answer these 2 questions right, the boys win the entire challenge.
Got you.
And those questions will not be asked by me. They will be asked by Salish.
No way.
Okay.
You got this, bro.
I've been thinking about this question for a while, actually. So, are you dating anyone?
Oh my God, why?
If I was dating you and you posted that TikTok about a girl, I would be kind of mad. So, are you dating someone?
No.
True.
Well, I'm kind of gonna expose you for this one. Do you remember when you asked me to go to the movies?
Yeah.
And I kind of avoided the question.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to dinner?
You have to answer this question truthfully.
Yes.
John?
True.
So the boys won.
That was crazy.
That was. Are we good?
Oh, so that's the end of the video. Wait, I didn't win?
No. He told the truth.
Why didn't we win?
Because he just told the truth.
You guys are going to dinner.
Did you think he was gonna lie about that?
I forgot about that.
That was a wild ending to a video. Boys won, congratulations. And here's what's in the mystery box.
Oh!
This is $1,000.
Let's go!
Hey, Salish, this is $300. Now I get to take you out to a fancy dinner.
Whoa!
Okay, hold on.
What?
Cut the show.
Go quick.
Ready?
TikTok on there.
Oh my God.
Good. Are you ready? Hello everyone, I'm with Charlie D'Amelio and we're going to do TikTok Dares, yeah! All right everyone, before we get started with this adventure in Grand Central Station, I just want to say that like many of you, I am pretty much stuck in my house all the time right now. Fortunately, my kids are very motivated to do their schoolwork all the time. Now this video that you're about to see with Charlie D'Amelio was shot way before anyone was staying home. That's why you see the crowds, the selfies, all that stuff. This video is all about TikToks, but we are not allowed to use the original music in this video, so I have a challenge for you. Watch the whole video and see how many of the original songs you can guess.
I'm gonna make it.
I don't want to mess this up.
Go! Are you kidding?
Okay guys, the baby is losing it. I guess I just have to make a break for it. It's okay. It's okay.
I gotta stay up. I can't let these kids win.
Oh! Go! Let's go, guys, let's go! Stop!
Guys, don't move. Don't move.
Hey, do you want me to take him?
Yes, please.
Okay.
To make sure the baby's not upset, Salish and Gio are allowed to move when they're holding him.
It's you now. Let's go.
More than half of the kids' team is already across the line. We need to make a full-on sprint or we're not gonna make it.
We still got a chance. Come on, Mama Justice!
You guys killed me. You're both eliminated now. You guys hear that sound? That's the sound of failure.
The kids may have won the first challenge, but there's no way they're beating the adults in this next one.
Next challenge, tug of war.
Whichever team gets pulled through the cones loses and has to eliminate 5 team members.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
But I think we should do the Squid Game strategy. We anchor ourselves, right? We pull, then we let them pull, okay? Then we pull once they've fallen down.
We need a code word, code word.
Let's make our code word pickle, okay? At pickle, we stop pulling.
Are you gonna win this for us? I'm ready to win this! I don't believe you! I'm ready to win! Are you ready to win this? Let's go! AJ, you ready back there? Yeah! Team adults! You're going down, little girl.
I think you're going down. And then when you go down, you can't get up. Oh!
Both teams are giving it their all, but there are 2 kids on Salish's team that fought especially hard to be here. One of those kids is Teddy, who just asked Salish
how many likes to be in a video.
And after everything it took to get here, he's giving it all he's got.
Come on!
Go!
Let's go!
The adults are pretty strong, but when I call pickle and we all stop pulling, they're all gonna fall down on the ground and we're gonna win.
Pickle! Ah! Let's go!
Well, that didn't work.
Let's go! Okay, wait.
Go, guys, go!
Yes!
Just when we think we're about to win, Big Justice is standing in our way.
Big Justice is strong. Keep pulling. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go!
I'm sorry, guys. That plan sucked.
Hey, man, you pulled your heart out. I am so proud of you, dude. You held it down, man. You were so strong, dude.
Hey, team, don't be sad. It's okay, guys. We're gonna win the next one. We won the first one. We're gonna win the next one.
Wait, we have to eliminate 5 people now.
We have to pick?
Since Team Kids lost, every player must vote for a teammate to eliminate. The 5 names drawn most from the Matter Cup are going home. And this won't be the last time the teams have to eliminate their own. I assume they'll vote out the youngest kids before the challenges get harder, but voting out your own teammates is never an easy decision. And remember, no matter who they vote out, if Team Kids wins, they all split the prize money.
All the votes are in. Now it's time to see who's getting eliminated.
One of the players at risk is Abby, another subscriber who earned her spot in this video by getting over 1 million likes in a month.
Okay, so number 1, obviously, I'm sorry, but the baby, he's getting eliminated. Next person is Abby.
We were so excited to have Abby compete, so seeing her leave this early was really tough.
Ashton. Teddy. Next one. No. Are you joking? No. Are you actually joking? Whoever voted for this person, I'm actually so mad at you.
Hope it's not me.
No. Jaden. Sorry.
No.
Jaden, we promise we'll win it for you. And guess what? Guess what? Whenever we win, we all get to split the money, and whoever wins will give you the trophy, okay? Can I have a double high five? Yay! Whoever voted for him. Oh.
Next challenge is a potato sack race, and whichever team loses has to do another elimination vote.
Bro, we're obviously gonna win. I mean, you jumping, you're gonna break a hip. Like, you're gonna be like, oh, ow, 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 guys.
Each team has 5 players. First team to reach the back of the end zone wins.
Each team will have 1 minute to strategize.
Okay, Angela, we gotta be able to get in and out of the potato sack really quick, okay?
And we have to be able to jump very far.
We're literally fine. This doesn't even require speed, but you're gonna be good at it because you're really jumpy.
Yeah, we got that.
Look how high he can jump. It's like you're on a trampoline.
This challenge is tough, but what's coming next will push us even further.
When Angelo gets to you, he's gonna go like this. You get it off of him, okay? Gio! Okay. So what we're gonna do is Mariah's gonna get to you. She's gonna go like this. and you're gonna take the potato sack off of her, okay?
And you're gonna do the same thing
Yeah,
for
so
Haven.
you're basically-
Go tell Haven. We need to tell Haven.
Salish, you are so dusted right now.
I might be, but whatever. My team's gonna carry it.
Let's go, team adults!
Jordan, you better not let Salish win.
By the way, next challenge is that thing. It's sick. But right now, I'm about to beat my little girl in a potato sack race. Let's go, team adults! Go!
Not gonna lie, I've done pro boxing fights and this is more nerve-wracking.
Guys, if I can't be a 90-year-old in a sack race, then that's just embarrassing.
Oh, you want to see what 90 looks like? This way, little girl. I'll show you what 90 looks like.
And we need to win this round, especially because I want to win the money. We need to win this for Jaden.
Let's go, Jordan! Let's go!
Wow, Salish is much faster than I expected.
Go, 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 go! Go, Topper, go!
Go!
Yes!
What a smooth fall from Angelo, but Topper is right behind him.
Go, go, go!
We are in the lead, and now our two fastest players are up.
Oh my God, go! Marco, go!
Marco is struggling to get the sack on, and Team Adults is starting to lose the lead.
Go! No! No! Marco, go!
No! Marco just took a huge fall. He needs to get up fast. There's only one person left.
Let's go!
Go! No!
Team Kids, see ya!
Jaden, 1, 2, 3, Jaden!
How did that happen? Oh yeah? Yeah! Just wait until the next challenge, that's all I'm saying.
Good game. Oh,
Unfortunately, we somehow lost that, which means we now have to vote out 3 players and then both teams are even. Remember, everybody gets to split the pot if we win, so pick the people who you think will help us win the least. Nothing personal.
We are all friends, so eliminations are really difficult.
Look at Topper trying to hide it from everybody.
I feel so bad.
And now I know the crumpled one is Topper's.
But we have to remove the weakest players because we cannot lose to Team Kids.
There's 2 people that got enough votes to be eliminated. One of them is Jolie.
I voted for myself. You know what? I'm going to hang out with the kids.
Good work, Jolie. The next person that got several votes was Jake. Now Jake, now here, wait. Jake and Jolie both voted for themselves, I believe, so that was awesome.
Jolie and Jake wanted the strongest players to make it to the next challenge so they could win it all for Team Adults.
And the third person eliminated is Jenny. I'm sorry. Let's give it up for Jenny.
Jenny, we're gonna win that cup for you, Jenny. Let's go.
Teams are even. We are down by 1 point. Moving on to the next challenge.
That was one of the toughest things we had to do all day. But the good news is everyone that started with our team is gonna get a piece of that cup, and we're winning that cup. Let's go.
Next challenge is
1v1 obstacle race, and it's going to be the 2 captains.
me versus my little girl Salish.
This is a super long and challenging inflatable obstacle course. First one to make it all the way through wins.
And the loser is eliminated.
What?
Either Salish or I am eliminated. One of us. Are we ready?
Yeah, let's go.
I need this.
Easy win! How am I gonna win this?
This is your dad. He's an old man. You got that.
I know, but I feel like he's gonna win because, like, look, there's a bunch of like X things. He can just like jump up those. I have to climb.
No. You got that. You got that.
You see the top of that slide? If he's there, just push him down. Yeah, you got him. Yeah, push him. Do it for Jaden.
The kids are suddenly playing with increased emotions because they want to win it all for Jaden. We are trying to match their energy, but they seem very inspired.
He's doing too much. Team Kids brings the boom, and Team Adults bring the doom.
I'm actually kind of nervous. I can't lose to my kid again. I lose to her too much.
Salish is a lot smaller than me. This is not going to be easy. I have the lead on Salish, but I need to keep up the momentum.
Oh, you're going down, little girl. You're going down.
No, Salish just passed me. Why?
Oh, no, Salish, no.
Oh my gosh! I'm winning! He's so far behind!
How so far ahead? Where is she? Oh my God, no!
I'm gonna win!
What the heck?
There is no way. How did she just get so far ahead? I need to keep moving as quick as I can.
I'm gonna win!
There is no way I'm letting Salish win. I am not losing this round for team adults. Oh, ouch. I think I'm getting too old for this.
No!
Oh, she's so far ahead.
The last obstacle is the warped wall, and my height is going to give me an advantage. This is my chance to overtake her.
No! She already get over? No! She won. No! How?
Salish eliminated me, but this game is far from over.
I try my best. I'll keep coaching you, but I can't participate anymore. Salish beat me fair and square.
You know what we got to do now? We got to turn this doom into a boom!
Guys, we are already up 3-1. We're doing so good, guys. All right, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Come on. Let's go. All right, teamwork. All right, guys. We gotta just remember, we're not done until we cross the finish line.
Don't act all cocky that we've won the first 3, 4, whatever. We gotta still stay locked.
Exactly. Stay locked.
Team Kid is basically gonna win. They are way stronger. Yeah, the game's right here.
He's right. Team Kid's got all the muscles.
Dude, winning challenges is so much fun. You know what's kind of better though?
What?
Like seeing these little kids like smile.
It's like when we win these challenges, we're not just winning it for ourselves, but we're winning it for these little kids, and they're so happy.
It's like being like an older brother.
So we're not gonna win this just for ourselves, but we're gonna win it for the kids.
Exactly.
Next challenge, dodgeball.
You guys are gonna start behind the line, and after you hear the whistle, both teams can go grab the dodgeballs and try to hit the other team.
Last team standing wins a point for their team. Guys, I need you. We're down 3-1. Let's go.
And this game starts in 3, 2, 1.
Tyler's out.
You're out,
But
Tyler.
Tyler wasn't the only adult out.
We've already lost 2 of our players.
And with that, the kids are already in the lead.
Keep the balls. Let them waste the balls.
AJ's out. Oh, no.
Don't throw! They only have one! Get it!
Do not throw.
The kids are being very smart,
Do not throw. Guys, don't throw. Hold your fire.
keeping the adults with only one ball in their hands.
Yo, come on. Come forward. Let's go.
God, I almost had one.
Let's go.
Oh, shoot.
Get the ball!
No, get
Oh, yes. Yes. You're out.
Yeah!
No.
Good job, Jim.
Adults, be aggressive. Got him. Oh, yes. Here we go. Topper's taking over.
Ah! Come on, Topper. Dang, Topper, you're out!
No. I'm like, there's no way this is happening. We are losing.
I thought this was gonna be easy, man. They sniped us. The kids are kind of locked in.
How do we keep losing to these kids?
Yes! Let's go!
No.
Jaden, this is for you. Jaden.
There's only 2 adults left. Are you out? Is Brooke out?
Yeah! Come on!
These kids are vicious, man.
Guys, we all gotta get Angela's dad.
This is insane.
Dude, you gotta lock in right. Oh my God, it's 1 against 100. How did this happen?
All right, guys, let's start throwing them.
Let's go, Tony!
Just let them get rid of all their balls.
Whoa!
Guys, we gotta try and catch them.
No, don't look at it. It's a distraction.
We need a ball. Come on, Dad. Give me a ball. I need a ball too.
And with the kids wasting all their throws, Tony ended up with most of the dodgeballs on his side. So this is his moment to shine and go for an insane comeback.
Let's go, Tony!
Ah! Yes, you got 1. Yes.
No.
No! Are you kidding me?
Yeah!
Wow!
Gio caught that ball, which means the adult who threw it is out. And Team Kids just won this challenge.
Gio, and with assist of Big Justice.
Let's go! That was sick!
They won with that incredible catch by Gio.
Hey, replay that real quick. Replay that real quick.
This is kids!
Call me.
Oh, you're so cute, Gio.
Wow, we just got cooked at dodgeball. Guys, we are down 4-1. It's first to 5. If they win one more, it's over, and kids have proven they're better than adults. Unacceptable. After each challenge, we've been eliminated people, so we have to eliminate again. This time, we need to eliminate 2 people. So if you think that you are not going to be the best at helping us win 4 straight challenges, then please be ready to eliminate yourself. Otherwise, we're gonna have to do a whole vote. So will some person please step forward so we don't have to do that? I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3. What?
No way.
All right, Topper has eliminated himself. That is shocking. Is there one more person that will eliminate themselves because you think that you won't help win the rest of the challenges?
I really believe in you guys.
I don't know if you're sports fans, but the Knicks had the greatest comebacks in history. We gotta be the Knicks. Let's go Knicks. We gotta be the Knicks. We gotta come back. We gotta win 4 in a row. Let's go. We gon' do this. Next challenge, Zorb balls. I'm pushing. Tyler, Salish is pushing. Gio, whoever gets in the end zone first wins the point for their team. If you guys win, this
We win the whole thing. Come on, Gio, let's go. Let's go, Gio. Let's go.
Though I was eliminated, I was really pumped up. So both teams agreed I could be the one to try and keep Team Adults in the competition.
Tyler, dude, if we don't win this,
Jordan, I got you.
we need this point.
Don't worry.
Wait, Gio, lie down. Lie down. Gio, real talk. Put your hands here. You got it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna try my best.
We need to win this. Just do whatever I say. Talk.
Yeah!
No.
Wait, what? Oh, tough?
Hey guys, stop messing around. We're starting the challenge now.
Let's go.
Yes, yes, yes.
We were doing great until this happened.
No! Oh my God!
But luckily for us, we were not the only ones that tripped there.
Yes,
Go! Go, Jordan, go! Go, Jordan! Go! Go! And we finally won a challenge. So we're back in the game.
Bro, Gio, why did you fall?
I didn't mean to. You're pushing me too fast.
I'm sorry.
Next challenge, field goals.
Let's go, field goals. Let's bring it. Come on.
We got it.
Whichever team scores more field goals wins this point.
Well, you guys are gonna need to score some points because we are 4. Let's go! You guys are losing.
Let's go. These other guys to make it
Cut. This is getting out of control.
All right. Our 7 kickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7. We're winning by so many points. We don't even have to win this point like we should, but like we are chilling.
Are we ready?
Yeah!
You can choose to kick it with somebody holding it on the ground, or you can just hold it, but this is what you're trying to do.
Oh.
It's too bad I got eliminated, right? Whichever team gets more field goals wins a point. If the kids win it, this thing is over.
Come on, guys, we got this. Let's do it.
Guys, you know what you've got? Obviously, you don't have athleticism over them, or strength, or endurance. What you have is you can get in their minds, get in their head, taunt them. Kids, you go first. The fact that I'm calling this dude a kid is ridiculous.
I am literally a
Like,
kid.
how do they stack? Good luck.
Go, Ethan! Let's go, Ethan!
That's luck. I mean, he hit the bar and in. That's luck.
That was lucky. All right, here we go. Tyler, dude, no pressure.
I got you.
Boo, Tyler!
Come on, Tyler! This is not happening. This is not happening. Kids are up 1-0. Big Justice. Come here.
Big Justice!
You know I'm a fan, right? You know I respect you, appreciate you.
Hey, don't listen to him!
There's a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure. This might be too intense for you.
Come on, Big Justice, come on! Let's do it! You're gonna get it!
Good try.
Woo! That was close. Actually, nice try. Good try, good try.
We needed that. We needed that. We needed that.
AJ, you have a chance to tie it. Let's go, big
Tie it
guy.
up.
Let's boom.
I'm just gonna pretend I'm doing it for a double chunk chocolate cookie.
Let's go. Double chunk chocolate cookie.
Come on,
Here we go.
babe.
Oh!
Yeah! Are you kidding me? Is he serious?
Why did I get eliminated?
Let's go!
I better stick to the ring.
Angelo.
What's up, old guy? How are ya? All right, let's go.
Please, 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 please.
No.
Please. Not happening. Somebody's got to bring their game. This is not happening.
This is not good.
We gotta hold on, guys. We gotta hold on, guys.
Oh, Jaden, that trophy is gonna look so beautiful in your room. Don't worry, it's gonna look so good.
Guys, come here. Listen, they've got the whole Jaden thing. That's powerful. That's motivating them. What do we have? What do we have?
We have you.
For Jordan. For Jordan. I cannot lose to my daughter again.
Right
You
now.
got me?
I got you.
All right, you come up here, Nick. Are you sure you want him holding it?
This one's for you.
Please, please, dude, get us close. Get us close.
Nick's gonna miss! Nick's gonna miss! Nick's gonna miss!
Please.
What now?
Yeah, we're back, baby! Yeah!
Jordan.
It was for me. Let's go. Let's go.
We're not out there, baby.
Come on over.
Let's go, Mariah! Pro soccer player!
You guys are up 2-1 here. You kick this, it's a big deal, but if you miss it, everyone's gonna be really mad at you.
No, they're not. It's fine.
Hopefully that little bit of trash talk was enough to get in her head. That's the only thing we have now.
Mariah, you got this!
Just do your best.
You got it, you got it, you got it. I got this.
Good luck, Mariah. You got this.
I'm so much better.
What is happening right now? Marco, please, it is 3-1. You have got to hit this.
Let's go.
You gotta hit it.
Marco's gonna miss! Marco's gonna miss!
Oh no! Oh no!
Yes, he's gonna miss.
21-year-old me!
I don't even want to say anything. That was so bad.
Oh my gosh, we might lose this right now.
At least I don't have the worst kick now.
How did you miss? You're just a 41-year-old man and you're so old.
You know what, little kid? No video games when we get home.
Hey!
No video games!
It is 3-1. 2 players from each team remain. They have to miss both. We have to hit both to go to sudden death. Please, Gio, come over here and miss this kick.
Yeah, come on.
You can do it!
Come on, we can do this. Yeah, come on.
Let's go!
Come on. Yeah, come on, Sarah.
If Gio makes this field goal, the kids win the entire competition. Salish wins the Matter Cup, and kids are better than adults. But if you miss it, we still have a chance. Good luck.
I'm so nervous right now. This is so much pressure.
Gio, don't be nervous.
Don't think about it, bro. We'll be fine.
Just score, bro.
My dad's a football coach. I can't miss this.
Oh my God, that's bad.
Just get your shoulders back, okay? Chin up. Be confident.
Okay.
Say right now, I got this.
I'm a little nervous, okay?
No, don't say that. Stomp your foot and say I got this.
I got this!
Good job.
Gio, you got this.
Go, Gio. Guys, be quiet.
You knew Gio was gonna do it for us. Thank you, Gio.
Here, come over here.
Let's go, Tony. Come on, Tony. Come on, Tony.
It comes down to this. If Tony misses, the kids win everything. Dude, please.
I hope Tony can pull this off.
He is our only hope.
He's all we got. Come on, Tony, bring
Come
the
on,
goal.
Tony, come on.
Boo, Dad! Boo, Dad!
I'm not nervous.
Maybe a little bit.
Come on, Tony. For your family.
Don't even, they're not even there.
Come on, Tony.
My way!
saved other challenges, but I guess not this one.
I have never been more scared.
It all comes down to Ashley.
Ashley!
If Ashley makes this, kids win everything. If she misses, the adults have one more chance to tie it up. Here you go, Ashley.
Be confident. Be confident.
Let's go, Ashley, focus.
Got this.
Oh my gosh!
So close.
Ashley, it's okay.
That was really good.
It's okay, Ashley.
That was a good first kick.
Whoa, whoa, we have one more chance to tie it up. This is crazy. What a comeback. Let's go.
We actually have a chance to win. We have a chance. It's on Mama Justice now.
I got this.
What?
I'm proud of everyone on this team.
We all thought when we started it was easy peasy, right? You absolutely got destroyed by a bunch of kids. Destroyed. They deserve the respect, but now I gotta listen to Salish. Team Salish, not a cop. But hey, I'm glad the kids won the money actually, so let's go. Well, the kids won. We gotta give it up for the kids, all right? We gotta give it up for the kids. Congratulations. Salish, I guess you get the medal.
Yeah, I know. Let's go!
Jaden! This is for you, Jaden!
Congratulations.
Thank you very much for the trophy. Let's go, Team Kids. Yeah!
This is a competition between the most talked about couple on TikTok versus the most shipped friends on TikTok.
And today they're going to face each other in 7 insane challenges
There's ice in my pants!
that are going to test their relationships
Pull yourself up! I thought you were
Trying!
and prove once and for all a real couple or best friends.
Okay, Needle.
I love you, Salish.
Who has a stronger connection?
First challenge is teamwork. Whichever team can get up this ramp and hit the red buzzer at the top wins the round. The only twist is they're both chained together. Salish Nadal, you go first.
Bro, okay, Needle, let's just show them how it's done. Come on.
3, 2, 1, go!
What are you doing, Needle?
No, Salish, you can't pull me back! Oh my goodness!
They can't even get this far. We loaded the ramp up with oil. It's almost impossible to get up there, but if they fall, they won't get hurt. It's all soft.
No, you have to run with me, run with me.
This first challenge is testing teamwork because they're chained together. They've got to work together to get up to the top and hit that buzzer.
Yeah.
Run, run, run!
Needle!
Run, run, run!
I'm sorry, Needle!
You're wasting a lot of time. You might want to go a little quicker.
Oh, Needle!
Nice one.
40 seconds.
All right, watch out, I'm going.
Needle, let me go. Needle!
Come on, guys, you better hurry up.
Okay, you go. Oh my gosh! Needle, what are you doing?
This is taking a minute, guys.
Needle, go!
Lock in. Salish, lock in, lock in.
Let me go in front. Trust.
No!
Oh, you're gonna get there.
Go, go, go.
Oh, smart move. No.
Fall.
Get there.
You got Needle. Yes!
Get it. Oh, she got it. 107-15.
Yeah, we got it!
Let's go!
Needle, what are you doing? We're gonna win because we've known each other for 6 years, so obviously we have better connection.
This is gonna be a walk through the park, bro.
It's gonna be a piece of cake.
Easy, bro. We got this, right?
You guys have to beat a minute 7.15. Are you ready?
Easy. Naylish, you're going down.
Wait, I got the perfect strategy.
You do? Wait, what are you doing?
1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3. Jenny!
What are they doing with a piggyback ride? That was never going to be a good idea.
Jenny Angelo! Go fast!
Push my butt!
Guys, you've already used 30 seconds. Go!
Okay, wait. Bro, we're obviously gonna win. Look at them. They can't even do it.
They can't even get past the bottom floor.
Oh my God, let's go. All right, I'm gonna throw you. One, two, three.
What the? Oh, that didn't work.
Push my butt on 3, I'm gonna jump. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was good. Best friends can't do that. That's why they're not gonna win.
Bro, best friends can do anything that you
He's gonna fall.
Guys, you got to get up there in the next 12 seconds. You better hurry up.
I got it. Ball.
If you guys slip right now, you lose. One more fall and Naylish wins.
Wait, they're almost there.
No!
Let's go!
105.05. Couples win round 1. win!
With that, the couple is winning 1-0. And it's good that they're happy right now because later today, someone is gonna say something that nobody expected.
Wait, so you don't love me back? No, so you don't love me back? No, so I love you, Salish.
Next round is dead weight carry.
But they can't drag their feet on the ground. Halfway through, the girls are going to carry the boys.
First team to get back to this blue line wins. Go.
Wait, what?
No, go! Ow!
Oh my God. Wait. Okay, Jenny, I got you.
Oh my God!
Oh, see her! Oh my gosh! Wait. Go, pick me up.
Salish, pick him up, dude!
The boys have to stay dead weight and not help the girls pick them up.
Oh, Salish, yes! Put him on your back!
How did she do that?
Put your hands around his leg! Yes! Go! Go, Salish! Don't let his feet touch! Don't let his feet touch! Keep him up a little bit more! Don't let his feet touch! You did it!
We won! We did that. We crushed that. It's okay. We did great. It's okay.
This is for the blue team, and this gift is for the red team. The boys actually picked the gifts for the girls. So this gift is from Nadal to Salish, and this gift is from Angelo to Jenny. And the first team to get 3 points opens their gift. For the next challenge, you're gonna need this. Here, you might want to hold this one too.
This better not be what I think it is.
Come on, come with me.
Jordan? No.
She's driving.
Salish is not. Salish, you are not driving.
Yes, I am.
Oh my God.
Don't spill on your way in. Next round is trust. Go!
Jenny, do you know how to put the car in drive?
Yeah. You know, you just gotta trust me, okay?
Oh my God.
Salish does not look like she knows how to drive.
I don't think you know how to drive.
The girl's job is to drive really slowly and carefully so there's no water spilled on top of the guy.
Jenny!
Whoever hits the red button first loses this round.
The waters are kind of falling also.
No, don't press the red button. You just have to trust me, okay?
Nadal and Angelo are probably about to get really wet.
Oh gosh, Angelo!
I added a little extra something by making it very embarrassing for Salish and Nadal to order the Nailish special. So let's see how they do that.
We're going to Starbucks and we have to get 2 Nailish specials for my dad and we have to bring it back.
Jenny, red light, Jenny! I am freezing. I want to click the button. Jenny, I'm going to click the button.
I'm watching both of them and it's going terribly. If Angelo hits the red buzzer, that means they can turn around immediately and he can put on another pair of pants. But if he doesn't hit the red buzzer, that means he has to go all the way through the drive-thru, order the Nailish special, and come all the way back. All these cups will be reused by us and then recycled eventually when we can't use them anymore. It's also crazy to see Salish driving Nadal.
Salish is getting her license next week, but since she has a permit, she can only drive when there's an adult in the car.
So Rowan is hiding in the backseat.
Oh my God! Salish! I'm pressing the red button. Stop. I'm pressing the red button.
I did not know that the acceleration on this car was that bad.
Oh my God, I have water all over me! Gas pedal, right or left?
Left.
What?
It's the right. She said that with too much confidence.
I can't do lefts and rights.
Jenny, so that's a yellow light, so you gotta either go or stop.
You told me.
You're in the pedestrian crosswalk! I am so sorry.
Ooh.
Salish, drive normal. Salish, it's on my feet!
Sorry.
This is crazy.
Jenny, I'm clicking the button. I'm sitting in the puddle.
No, please,
Jenny,
Angelo, we're not losing to them, please, Angelo.
Oh my gosh!
You're spilling the water on me.
Oh, how does it feel?
Salish, I'm about to press the button. The water is spilling all over me. You suck at driving.
Shut up.
I don't know what Jenny's doing.
I'm glad she's not driving my car. That's Sandy's car, so don't tell him. Wait, he edits this. Okay, uh-oh. Sandy, sorry, dude.
Hi, may we please have a vanilla frappuccino with strawberry and vanilla cold foam?
This water keeps falling on me.
Thank you.
Stop.
Hi, can I have the Nailish special?
The Nailish special. It's like a really popular drink on TikTok.
Can I get a Nailish special, please? What is your name? Oh my God! I'm sorry, ma'am.
Salish, S-A-L-I-S-H. You know, she was mad at me. That was so scary. Why would
I don't care if she was mad at you. There's 4 Starbucks drinks by my feet.
Jenny, I'm sorry we're fighting. Let's make up. I'm just really cold.
I understand. It's okay. I don't blame you.
Vanilla frappuccino with strawberry puree blended and then vanilla cold foam.
For anyone wondering who wants to go order it at Starbucks, that's the order.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
He's drinking my drink?
Oh, thank you so much. You deserve it.
They're both on their way back and nobody has hit the red button.
Angela and Jenny are not gonna trust each other because they've only known each other for like, what, 2 months?
I know, and we've known each other for 6, 7 years. Like
Yeah,
that.
literally.
6, 7! All right, that was too much. All right, I gotta stop. Ah, I'm freezing! Get off me! Ah, that's cold!
Oh, you're so stupid!
Ah, there's ice in my pants! Jordan, I don't think I'll ever accept your challenge again. Nope, not happening.
Nope, not happening.
Nope, I'm gonna
We'll see him in 3 months.
I'm gonna press the button.
No, you're not.
I keep threatening you with the button.
Can we just stop for a second and look at Salish when she started on this channel? Time flies, man. Can you believe she's driving?
And the parking lot is
Right. I see it.
Do you? Oh my God.
They're here. They're here. Neither team hit the button. Nobody gets a point.
We made it.
Let's go!
Nice one, Jordan. Yeah, I survived with a cup and a half.
Wait, guys.
You don't do it!
No, it wasn't my idea. Actually, Nadal, it wasn't my, do not, whoa. Okay.
Dad, we got...
My Nailish drink?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Nailish special. Thank you. Did you even get that wet? Okay, guys, right now the two teams think they're on a break, but actually they're being observed by Paula, who is a body language expert. And at the end, she's gonna decide which one of them has a better connection, and that team wins a point.
Oh boy.
And they have no idea they're competing right now.
Well, one disappeared right now, but I can tell you this. Some interesting things about where people sit next to each other tells a lot about body language. Your body actually faces towards who you like. Like, look at his feet. Nothing is towards.
Interesting.
Okay, oh, she's touching her hair though. Females tend to do self-soothing gestures, like touching your hair, stroking your chest, so that's interesting.
Instead of doing Windex, I'm gonna spray the Sincerely Yours cucumber spray.
Oh my gosh,
right?
amazing.
Okay, now he's back. And he touched her leg, touching. That is huge. Oh, now they're leaning closer together.
Oh, so when
That's
he sat
huge.
down, she
Yep,
got up and
she
sat
leaned,
in.
Leaning in, and now they're sitting next to each other, whispering close. That is huge oxytocin. Oxytocin is like when you're building a connection with someone. So it's a touch.
They're
it's
still
eye
doing it.
contact. Oh, touching, laughing. The hair. Did you
She
see the
touched
hair
the
again?
hair.
Yeah. And look at her lift the leg. She's getting closer to him. And that's a genuine smile. So genuine smiles are all the way from like the cheeks. You look from here up.
What do you think about the red vibe early on?
The red have a connection. They definitely have a connection, but I feel a stronger connection as of right now with the blue.
I see. You're just
Do you
sitting
see how
there
they're
whispering.
fronting and they're fronting towards you? Remember what I told you about the feet? Look at the feet. They're
Oh, the feet are going towards
yep,
each other.
Yep. See, close again.
What are they whispering about? By the
I
way?
know, that's what I want to know.
What's all the whispering?
And she's doing a lot of hair touching.
She's been doing that ever since she met him. Cue a bunch of those moments. First person to look away from their partner.
I'm kidding, Salish, I can walk.
What?
Real.
Yeah, you better not, because you...
Are they not a couple?
Salish and Nadal, no, they're the best friends. What? What was that? So their story is they've been best friends since they were 10. The internet, you people, keep wanting to ship them and have them date. Their friendship is too perfect to ever ruin it by dating.
I don't know, the internet might be onto something.
Okay, this is not how I want this.
Look at this! I kind of want this relationship for myself. Oh, she's going back in.
I thought that was the... I know, I forgot.
The blue team definitely seems to be enjoying each other's company.
So Nadal, you can stand on this side.
Paula is convinced that they will be a couple at some point, right? This is not it for me.
No, yeah, they will.
Oh, God. Okay, I'm gonna just clarify something. Salish and Nadal are very, very tight. I have no doubt that maybe in some universe they could date, just not this universe.
I mean, like tomorrow. And I think that you'd be so happy.
What's this tell you?
So she's fidgeting, which can be anxious. You can be anxious around people you like. But they oxytocin, they gave a high five. Oh, they're leading in. They leaned in together. Oh, now see, I like this a lot. They are connecting. The red team's connecting. Oh, and she just crossed her legs to point towards him. Another connection. They look very connected to each other. I mean, this is a hard one. Females, when they like someone as a self-soothing gesture, we do this. It's very common. She just did that with him. Oh, and she's touching him. She touches him a lot. She's into him. So I've been a body language expert for 10 years, and I think Salish and Nadal, they might be a couple one day.
Okay, I think we're done with this now.
I want to show you guys something that we have been working on for so long. Sincerely Yours finally has... We're having a super secret launch event in Los Angeles on May 30th. I can't tell you guys where it is yet, but it's somewhere that's super special to me, and it's gonna be so fun. We're gonna pick 2,000 people who sign up to come to the free event. Link in the description for all the info, and I can't wait to see you guys there.
Before we start the next challenge, I want to let you guys know that you actually just had a challenge that you were unaware of. While you were having your break, you were actually being analyzed by a body language expert.
I didn't know we were being watched.
She made a determination that one team is more connected than the other, and she's about to come in and tell you who won that round. Are you ready to find out who just won the round?
Oh my goodness.
Paula, come on in.
So you both have a genuine connection, and I can see it in both of you guys. But the winner is the blue team.
Wait, that means we can get out of here. Let's go.
I told you.
Salish and Nadal are winning 2-1. So if they win this challenge, the entire game is over, and Salish gets to open her present. For this next challenge, we're testing how well each couple. Wow, whoa, okay, hold on. Okay. For this challenge, we're testing how well each team knows each other. These balloons are filled with water, and there's multiple layers. I'm gonna bring in a special guest that's gonna ask each of them a question. If they both answer it correctly, they don't have to cut the balloon. If they answer it incorrectly, then the girl has to cut as thin a line as they can, because there's multiple layers.
Okay, Nino, you got this?
And now, for our special guest, Gigi Wonder. Let's go.
Salish and Nidal, have you guys ever dated? 3, 2, 1.
No.
Oh, I don't.
So wait, does that mean that you're talking to somebody right now?
No, I'm not talking to anybody.
But you said in the last video with Netflix that you were talking to somebody.
I'm not talking to anybody.
Salish, come back. I need to know. Salish, tell me the Nadal thing was the lie. Wait, that would mean you're talking to somebody?
Angelo and Jenny, how long have you guys been dating? 3, 2, 1.
1 month.
Nidal, have you ever given Salish flowers, and Salish, have you ever received them from Nidal? 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Wait.
Oh, different answers!
How would you not know that?
How did you forget?
He got me flowers. I remember this one time, like Valentine's Day a couple of years ago. On Valentine's Day, I'm in Starbucks. I look out the window and I see this boy, and we lock eye contact, and he brings me flowers. But I didn't want to say yes, because then people are gonna think he's the one that got me flowers at Starbucks, but he's not that one.
Salish, you gotta pop the balloon. Oh gosh, see, he's gonna get, you did it, yeah!
I got 2.
It's very obvious, but whoever gets wet, that team loses, and the winning team gets a point.
Are you guys actually dating, or is it just for social media?
That's such an easy question. Obviously, they're gonna say yes, because if they were fake dating, they would still say yes.
No, what? I thought you were just gonna say obviously, because we're obviously dating.
She's got a good point.
3, 2, 1.
It's for real.
How long have you guys been friends? 3, 2, 1.
6, 7.
Oh my God, 6, 7.
That's not a correct answer.
It's 6 or 7 years.
You gotta be more specific.
It's been 6 or 7 years.
6 or 7 years, come on.
What? They had to ask if they were real girlfriend, boyfriend. We have to say the date, November 22nd. Like, what is this?
This one is for Angelo to see if he gets it right about Jenny. What is Jenny's favorite drink from Starbucks? 3, 2, 1.
Water. Wait, but like it's nothing. She doesn't drink Starbucks.
wouldn't drink that water.
It's triple filtered. Wow.
That was offensive, Angelo.
She's gonna pop it.
Cut more.
But we have to win.
Just go! Like, make it like this, Jenny!
Salish, what is Nidal's favorite TV show ever? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God,
That's not a show.
It's Naruto.
Yeah, Naruto.
Really? I said Naruto.
No, you said anime. One wrong move from Salish, and they lose this challenge.
Anime is not a show.
There we go. Oh, whoa!
I cut 2 again.
Okay, Jenny and Angelo, lock in. What day was your guys' first kiss?
I got it.
Wait, no!
2.
Let me think. Oh, wait.
1.
February 23rd.
No.
Angelo, tell me the truth. Did you say it right or wrong?
I genuinely don't know what I said.
What do you mean you don't know?
I said February 20th.
Okay, pop the balloon.
How do you remember that?
Because I was editing the video and I saw that in the file data. You have a video of you kissing?
The reason we have a video is because I wanted to film a TikTok and he told me, oh, it would be cool if we kissed at the end of the video because it would look cooler. And then I was like, no.
What? Now, if Nito ever said that to me, I'd be like, oh heck no, like we're not friends anymore.
Okay, pop his balloon.
Oh my God, it's about to pop.
No, stop. Jenny, can you be gentle? Ah!
I got like 3 layers.
Be gentle!
Wait, I have a question. Did you ever post the video that you kissed in?
Yeah. Oh, how did he find the video that fast?
Question for Nidal and Salish. Does Nidal open the door for Salish? 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Are you serious?
You've never opened the door for me.
I only opened the door for you. Bro.
Oh. Wow, I only took one this time.
You got it. How old was Jenny when she got her first boyfriend?
Kindergarten.
20. What?
You had a boyfriend in kindergarten.
No, real boyfriend, 20.
Pop the balloon.
Oh my gosh.
What is Salish's favorite subject in school?
Nothing.
Math. Oh.
Go back, sit down.
What day did you guys meet? 3, 2, 1.
January 24th, 2024. Why don't you know that?
Go, cut the balloon.
Pop the balloon.
Let me guess, because we made a video. That's the only reason why.
Nidal and Salish, how many products does Sincerely Yours have?
Oh my, don't look.
2, 3, 5.
Oh, he got it wrong.
I'm so stressed out right now.
What is Angelo's favorite hair product?
Curl cream.
Wow.
You're not allowed to say Santa Monica Pier, but what is your favorite place to hang out?
Kalahari.
Yeah! What is Angelo's favorite meal of the day?
Chipotle.
Favorite meal of the day? What do you mean Chipotle?
I don't know, just like whatever.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. Oh my gosh.
If Jenny pops this balloon right now, Salish and Nidal win, and Salish opens her gift.
Oh, you're cooked. You're cooked.
Peace out.
Oh my gosh! The next wrong question is over.
Nidal and Salish, where would Nidal take a girl on their first date? 3, 2, 1.
To get food.
What?
Santa Monica? No, I thought that was the place we went on, not with another random girl. Like, what the heck? 3, 2.
Say, just stab the balloon.
Wait, I get one more?
There was another one. How is there 2?
It's all over. Red team wins a point. We are going on to the final round. Whoever wins the next challenge wins the gift. We saved the best challenge for last, but I gotta take this sign down so it doesn't give anything away.
All right, Jenny doesn't know this, but I got her something she is going to love. I don't know if she's gonna expect it though, but it's really good.
Oh wait, I want to tell you what mine is. Look. I know. I think she's gonna love it.
That's kind of
I
good.
know. I think she's gonna love my gift.
For the final round,
Salish and Nidal are going to pretend to be a couple. And if they can fool a couple's therapist, then they are obviously more connected than the actual couple, and they should win.
whoever wins this gets to open this present. And girls, what we didn't tell you is the guys actually pick the present for the girls.
I'm so.
Bro, I'm telling you, this is worth you go vegan for a month. I'm not even kidding.
Are you ready to open your blindfold?
Yes.
In 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Oh, it's bright.
Jalapeno pepper. Oh!
I got prime. Ew.
You're saying ew to prime. I've got kimchi and hot powder.
Mine looks pretty good.
Okay, are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1.
This does not look it.
All right, that's enough. Hold on, wait, here, smell
No,
mine.
stop.
Oh my gosh. Mila, smell that.
No!
Oh no.
Ew, mine's chunky. Dad, you're probably gonna win.
I'm gonna win?
It smells. I'm gonna throw up soon. Ew. Whoever drinks more wins. And 3, 2, 1, go!
I barely have to drink any. This is good.
Jordan lost.
That's actually a good smoothie I would pay for.
Hey, no drinking.
You want some of this? You want some?
No, so.
Do you want some, Colin? No? Do you want some? You want to see what I just had to go through? You could have helped me out. A little dad power? A little dad power?
Stop! You're gonna lose the whole entire game, and you're gonna be in trouble if you don't stop. You're out of hand.
Okay.
You're out of hand, Dad.
Time for their first challenge. I'm texting Salish.
Ride the dragon ride? Well, okay, let's go. Okay.
They might get caught after challenge 1 because they can't do this ride without screaming. They won't even know how to turn it on, by the way.
Let's go, go, go.
They picked a perfect time to leave because he's actually patrolling the pier right now.
Go, 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 go. Hi, go, 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 go.
We do not know how to work this.
Ride lights on, off. Oh, shoot.
Lap bar, close, open.
They're gonna break the ride.
Cycle start.
Press it. Wait, why isn't it going?
We need a key.
Their challenge is to ride a ride, but they have no idea how to turn the ride on.
Wait, so if we start it, how do we do it? We just sprint in while it started?
I think it's over.
Guys,
I think
I'm
we're at
so
4 minutes.
scared.
4 minutes.
If he comes, what are we gonna do? We don't have time to go back. We hide in there.
Do you see this little hole?
It smells really bad, but we gotta do what we gotta do.
I didn't tell the girls, but I hired an operator to run all of the rides tonight. But that operator has to stay hidden too.
Hi.
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 Wait, where are you from?
Your dad sent me.
Oh.
Guys, hurry.
Well, it's okay, we gotta go. If you see security, you have to hide.
Yes, got it. Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I'll see you.
Oh, this is uncomfy.
Hey, we only have 8 minutes.
We put a GoPro on every ride to watch the girls.
Oh, this goes quick. Why are you not? It's already so high.
They're just screaming, dude. He's gonna catch you.
We have to be quiet. Why are we
Guys. Oh, wait. Did the security guard call the cops?
It's so loud. He's gonna hear us.
Oh my God. Is this like... Do I need to go out there? Are they here for the girls? Oh, wait. That's actually not good. Hold on.
Guys, we probably have like 1 minute. Oh, whoa.
If the cops get out of the car, this challenge is over. Wait. Okay, wait. Oh, they're just there. Oh, that scared me. I actually thought he called the cops and they were gonna bust Salish. She was getting up in jail. Whew, that was scary.
I think he's coming from right over there. What?
Okay, they're gonna get busted. He's coming back. They're gonna get busted.
Go down. Why is it still going? Oh no, bro. He's gonna find us.
We gotta go.
Go.
I can't watch. They're gonna get busted. You gotta find a place to hide. Hurry.
I think we made it. Can you please hide?
He's gonna come and you can't give us away.
Go. They just made it. Oh, that was exciting.
We just made it.
That ride was so loud.
And we'd go straight up and we kept screaming. Yeah. He almost got us. He was so close.
Yeah.
Second challenge. This is gonna be fun.
Pop all the balloons at the carnival games.
He's gonna hear that for sure and come bust them.
It's right. Let's just go.
We should wait.
We got.
No, don't. They're just leaving? Don't leave. He's gonna be right here. He's coming into the park. Oh, God, they're gonna get busted.
The security guard is right there. This is not a good hiding spot.
They must have missed it by like 10 seconds getting totally busted. This is so stressful. I don't know if I'm gonna make it the whole time.
Okay, where are the balloons?
I don't know, but we have to hurry. He's gonna come any second.
Oh, balloons right here. Do we just throw these?
Yeah. We have to get all of them?
It's gonna take them an hour to pop all those balloons.
This is gonna take way too long.
Guys, that's not how you play the game.
Just go.
They're climbing over. I didn't see that coming.
Guys, hurry. It's so loud. It's shh. Go.
Is he coming?
No, he's not there yet. Go.
It's pretty loud, guys.
We gotta go.
The bottom ones are the hardest.
5 more. Go.
Oh, he's coming back. Okay.
Guys, we have like a minute. 1 more.
Oh, okay, get up. Go.
Go. Run. They did it. Oh, what? Why are they?
What are you doing? Guys, hurry. Are you kidding me? Guys, we don't.
don't need the prizes. Let's go.
You guys didn't win teddy bears, okay? But I guess if the place is all yours, it's all yours, so help yourself to teddy bears.
We risk getting caught by the security guard to get this, and it doesn't even flip inside out.
Yeah, we'll flip inside out.
The clock's almost at 0, so he should be walking around now.
He's right there, he's right there, he's right there. He's right now. Shh.
Is he not paying any attention? Aren't we kind of sick of Salish winning everything all the time? Okay, I'm a little tired of it. Yes, I've lost a lot in a row with her.
Oh, wait, no, say whoa.
I'm Team Security Guard. Team Jordan can't win, Team Security Guard can finally win one.
Which scene is your favorite so far? Clip one and post it on social media, and we will FaceTime whoever gets the most views.
Young lady, if you are going to live under our roof, we have some new house rules.
It's actually my house, but whatever. So you have to say yes to me the whole day, right?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Give me your credit card.
Oh, no, let's start with something more.
Calm down, my friend, calm down, calm down, calm down. Okay, here's my credit card.
Thank you. Okay, we can go.
This is gonna be a long day.
No crop tops.
Hold. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. I can already tell they're so strict. I don't want the consequence, so I guess I'm gonna have to deal with these people. That does not mean that I'm gonna like it though. So I need about 100 new outfits, and luckily I have this to salvage it now, but our first stop is Urban Outfitters because every teenager needs to go here and get whatever we can get. It's not cropped, so they should be fine with this. Let's go see though.
Much better.
No dating. Not dating anyone.
You're not dating anyone, ma'am.
Hey, ma'am. I'm thinking we're gonna need about one of everything. Start off with these.
Did she even look at them?
You need to be like right behind me at all times. You're being really slow. Come on.
Is this what Salish is gonna be like in a year?
No cursing.
Wasn't planning on it.
No TikTok.
It's okay, I have Instagram.
No Instagram.
What?
No, none of it. None of it.
Yes, ma'am. Ooh, this is so cute.
Wait, don't you even try clothes on? You just buy them?
That's wasting time. I could be buying makeup, getting boys' numbers. Unnecessary. Now zip it.
No DoorDash.
No DoorDash? What am I supposed to eat?
Cook your own food. No makeup.
What? I mean, you're wearing makeup.
I'm an adult.
I'm technically an adult. I'm 14.
That's not an adult. An adult is 18 years old. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. It is all about me, and it'll be about me for the rest of the day. I don't want to hear a peep out of your mouth unless you're offering to buy me Starbucks, get me new clothes, or get me a boy's number. Please keep up with me.
No YouTube. Oh, okay, everything else.
Is that clear?
Clear. I saw this on TikTok. Do you do TikTok, Jordan?
It's like 5 minutes in, I'm ready to quit.
This is $130, so I'm gonna need about 5 of these. Excuse me.
Wait,
excuse me.
you need
excuse
what?
me. How to log in? Oh my gosh.
Is this sketch? I'm too visible, hold on.
I'm scared.
There he is, there he is.
He's right next to me. He's right there.
This is a good shot right here, come here. Like actually, this is so exciting. He's right there.
So you just need to watch this video. Just go over the safety precautions.
He's about to find out that I'm here.
He's about to see her right now.
Hey, Nidal, I'm somewhere in
Why say that
Sky.
to
You can find me, you get your birthday present.
What?
You have to say yes to everything I say, and each time you finish the dare, you get 1 more minute to find me. Good luck, Nidal. You're gonna need it.
Wait, Salish is here?
Yeah, I am here.
Where is she? Wait, can you give me any hints?
You're very cold right now. That's all I can say.
He looks so confused.
Wait, how are we gonna find her?
I guess you're just gonna have to look through it.
I cannot wait to give him these dares. This is the present I got for him. I really hope he finds me so that he can open this, but obviously I have to make him work for it. Wait, is that Jordan?
Oh, okay, he just saw me. Surprise!
Wait. Jordan! What are you doing?
We've got a little birthday surprise for you. So Salish is about to call you.
Hey! Wait, Salish, where are you? You'll never know until you find me. Wait, point the camera at the roof. Point the camera through where? The roof, like this.
Don't point it anywhere. Do not point it, Salish.
I'm not pointing it up roof. Okay, I got the clicker, and this controls the garage, so this is gonna be very useful for this sex scene.
All right. Let's see what we got. Just Crunch, the anti-soggy bowl. Boom.
First, I'm gonna open the garage with this, and then I'm gonna control my dad's car with this phone.
You put your cereal here, your milk here, and your cereal doesn't get soggy. 1, 2, 3. Dope!
I didn't like it.
I'm gonna click this, I think.
All right, here's our next one.
I think it will go up.
Car's driving away!
Stop, 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 stop.
It's going backwards.
Stop! What is happening?
He for sure thinks our house is like haunted or something.
Dude, this is so weird. All right, wait, Huds, I know what to do.
Bro, my dad ruined it. He got in the car.
I have no idea why this is happening. I'm gonna charge the car because when you're charging it, it can't go anywhere.
Now I'm gonna close it.
All right, we're good, we're good. What is going on? This is so weird.
I almost left him out, but I didn't get too close.
I'm gonna close it. That's me doing it. There we go. Okay, that's so weird. The car thing was weird. The garage thing is weird. The alarm is weird. That was weird. Why are you still looking? Are you kidding me? Who cares about, dude?
It's almost midnight and I am about to do the birthday surprise for my dad, but I have one more prank that's gonna drive him crazy.
But do you think we could just finish the video first?
No. Hold on. Let me just ask Mom. Hi, honey. It's very weird what's going on in this house.
He's calling my mom?
Has the garage door just ever like opened up for you? Out of nowhere?
Salish, we gotta get this wrapped up because he's about to lose his mind. He's terrified.
What about my car? Have you ever seen my car randomly drive?
We gotta get the surprise. He's freaking out.
One of two things is going on. Hudson is pranking me, but he says he's not. Or there's actually something weird happening in this house and I don't know what it is.
Should we call the police?
The police were here already.
Wait, the police were there?
Yeah, he stopped by when the alarm went off. I think Hudson's probably pranking me, but I have no idea how he's doing it. So the only other option is like ghosts in this house. Huds, okay, tell me the truth. Are you doing this?
I'm not doing anything.
Okay, look. There's two of us in this house.
I just want to make this video.
Do you have a remote on you?
No.
How did that just happen? We don't even have a remote for the garage.
Our parks are all finished and ready for the judges. Time to bring on the guest judges, Ben Azelart and Sniper Wolf. Ben and Sniper Wolf will each rate one of our parks. Whoever gets a higher score wins the Matter Cup. They each have 15 minutes to make a decision.
Tickets! Miss Sniper Wolf, would you like some tickets? Oh, 1 second, I forgot. Theme music.
Shut up and give me the ticket.
Oh, you want the tickets? Okay, all right.
Hello!
Welcome!
Nice to see you. We built this epic tube water slide. Want to go try it?
Yeah, let's get right to it.
What,
already?
First
floor?
Already? Would you like to do all the rides in my park?
Everything.
There's so much to do. There's so
Give me
much.
the whole
Just
thing.
take the whole thing. I think you're my only guest.
Wait, who built this?
Ignore the rust. This is Mark Grover certified.
When did you build this?
Truthfully, about 4 hours ago.
Yeah.
You want me to ride it?
Yeah.
It looks rusted. I mean,
Part of the fun is like you might not make it out alive.
There are games, there's prizes, there's an amazing roller coaster, obstacle course.
I'm hungry.
Oh, you're hungry?
Yeah.
Great, let's go eat. Come on over here.
No, let's go over.
we're on the second story right now. Whoa.
I know how much he loves water parks. We've seen it in his videos. A 2-story slide. If he survives this, we've got it.
Get your candy.
I want some candy.
Oh, would you like some chocolate? Have some chocolate. There you go.
I love Hershey's Kisses. Why are they all melted?
We're sabotaging my dad's candy stand.
That's part of the whole experience. Here at Jordan's Amusement Park, it's melted.
Ew. They suck.
Okay, no. Okay, hold on. Okay, try candy worm.
Whoa, a little melted, but it's
fun.
So good. I do love the nerds.
There you go.
It's a little melted, but everything looks good. It's so colorful and fun. Great job.
Thank you. Do you like games?
I love games.
Okay, I've got a great game for you next.
It's kind of wobbly up here.
No, it's not. Look.
Oh, chill, stop. Do not wobble the structure, okay? Mark said it was built 4 hours ago.
Look. It's so
I'm nervous.
fun, but be careful at the end because you could hit your back on the
Salish.
thing, and it really hurt when I did it. Oh yeah. I mean, it's really fun though.
All you need to know is it's fun.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go.
Yeah!
Let's go!
That was the biggest splash we've gotten all day.
That was a lot of fun.
I want to congratulate all of you on your graduation! You've been with us for 12 years! Wow! Now it's time for a very quick photo as we do every year, so I'm going to just start positioning you. Diesel! Yeah, never mind. You can do whatever you want. Anna, let's have you come right here.
Oh, no. I think Anna should still be back there.
No, she's going to be here because she's
No. I mean, principal or whatever your name is. Just trust me. Ellie, you come over here. Hudson, you go right here. Perfect. All done.
I am always sitting in the center, so this is going to be where I sit. I do it every year.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
This is my favorite thing of the entire year is my graduation photo. Smile, hold it.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, now. Go.
Oh!
No! What?
The toupee was horrible. It's so obvious. We did him a favor.
No!
Let's party!
Nobody's answering. I can see from Fine Friends they're at the house, but okay, what's up? I'm gonna land, I'm gonna get home, it's gonna be nice and quiet.
Sophie, where are you? The party is already happening.
I don't think I'm gonna make it, Salish. I'm at this thing right now, and this DJ's playing my music, and I can't leave right now. And I have to be on the stage.
But we need you. I set you up with Hudson. I need you for this.
Wait, you set me up with Hudson?
Obviously, yeah. You guys are so cute. You know what? It's okay. Maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time.
Okay, that's awesome. You're gonna date my brother one day. Bye. Perfect. Hudson, I have some bad news for you. Your date canceled.
What? Who was the date? Tell me who
It
was the
was
date.
Sophie.
Dawsey?
Yeah.
Oh, so she's not coming.
No. But
You
she
know
said
what?
she would come next time. And
Pardon?
she said she would date you.
Something tells me she didn't totally say that.
She did. So Hudson, if Sophie was there, would you have kissed her, slow dance with her?
I mean, maybe, yeah, I don't know, maybe.
Really? You're not Sophie? You have to come next time, Sophie. You have to.
I've been doing this challenge for over 12 hours now. I flew to Vegas and back in one day, and now she's not even answering the phone. I have no idea what's going on. I've been calling Salish, I've been FaceTiming Salish, she's not answering. She's probably asleep or she's watching a movie with Hudson. Either way, I'm going home, I'm done. I am so tired. I can't wait to just go home, quiet house, and fall asleep. Oh my God, that was the longest day ever. I am so...
Wow!
Salish! This is awesome! Come on! This is such a cool party, forget about the dishes. We're on a roller coaster and the girls have to do 2 truths and a lie until the end of the ride. Are you ready?
No.
All right, Salish, you go first.
I did ballet before gymnastics. I dyed my hair.
Whoa!
And my favorite color is pink. Woo! Yeah!
Whoa! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh, okay, wait.
The lie is you dyed your hair?
Yeah, I don't dye my hair.
Oh, good one, Jules, your turn.
I lived in Hawaii. I speak 4 languages. And I got to high school.
Next year's your senior year. I know you speak 4 languages. You didn't live in Hawaii?
I did live in Hawaii.
What was why?
I'm in high school.
You are. You have senior year left.
I know. I graduated. Okay, guys.
So I lived in New York.
Okay.
I have 2 dogs.
Come on.
Let's see. I like Needle.
Wait, what?
Oh,
wait. Which one's the lie? You like Nadal?
Oh, I don't know. It's over. My bad.
No! How dare you?
Did she just not answer that? F is for fluffy pancakes, which you now have 15 minutes to make. Go get them.
Okay.
Okay, I actually know how to do this. 1 cup of Kodiak mix.
What is Kodiak mix? How to make?
No, stop. I got it, Harper.
Fine. We'll just make terrible pancakes.
It's 1 cup of this.
Is that a cup?
Girlie, that's a cup.
Maybe it's lying to us though.
Stir mix and water into the bowl. Okay, I got it.
Riddle! I'm gonna mix this up while Salish is gone.
Ow! It went onto my finger. Hey, do you want to open the chocolate chip?
Yeah.
We're not gonna be healthy today.
They're so fluffy.
We'll just put a bunch of these on top, right? So that's the base of it.
Oh wow, yeah, that's a lot. All right, here we go. All right. Grab it. One of my fault.
Okay, now we're gonna decorate with some whipped cream. All right, Harper, want some? Good? Oh no! Want some chocolate?
Yeah, on the pancakes though, right?
I'll do it for you.
Okay, so I do think that's a little much.
Are you yucking my yum?
I am yumming your yum.
No!
Oh, guys, only a little. Oh, these are not cooked. Salish, I told you to cook them longer. Wow.
It's good, I just didn't cook it for long enough. Yeah, and it's like dunked in some chocolate sauce. I think today I might just be hungry. Let's move on.
Plus, it's definitely part of a summer morning routine because you can't do this normally during the school day.
We like to watch jump scares.
I'm actually scared though.
That actually scared me. That actually scared me.
Oh my gosh. That got me.
Yeah, same.
This is scary.
I'm out. I'm just excited. Fear level 0, excitement level 10.
We all know you're scared. It's okay.
Definitely not true at all. Whoa. Yeah, and I'm scared. The second it starts.
He's really scared, but it's okay.
I'm not scared.
No, it's okay. I totally understand.
I might be scared once it gets going fast, but right now I'm just chilling, having a good time.
Wait, who? What, Dad?
Come on in, everybody.
Whoa, what am I doing, Dad? What the heck?
There is one purple ball in there, only one. And if you can find that one purple ball in the next 2 minutes, you get to decorate your elevator like it's your own bedroom. Oh, okay.
Ow, I think that's good.
Good luck, Say. 2 minutes starting right now, Say.
Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah.
She's having fun in there. I'm right here monitoring everything in the dining room, and Salish is just right over here in the elevator. I have to whisper sometimes so she can't hear me. There are thousands of balls in there and only one of them is purple. No way she can find it in 2 minutes.
Woo!
I can't even see her.
This is so fun.
You gotta find one purple ball in the next 90 seconds or else you don't get to decorate the elevator.
Oh, there's too many, Dad.
We have 5 cameras set up in the elevator, so I'll be able to watch everything on this monitor. And if I want to talk to her, I'll use this microphone.
Not on that side.
Salish, 60 seconds. If she steps foot outside that elevator for the next 24 hours, she automatically loses and has to buy me dinner wherever I want to go with whoever I want to bring. So she's going to be spending all of her savings on me and my friends. Obviously, there's an exception. If she has to use the bathroom, she gets a lifeline.
I don't think I'm ever going to find it.
30 seconds, Salish, hurry up. She's not going to do it.
Wait, is this it?
Oh, she found it. How did you find it?
I saw it.
Needle in a haystack, literally.
Dad, hurry up, I got it. Whoa, oh wait, I can't come out,
You
right?
can't, come on out, come on out.
No, it's okay.
There's thousands of balls and she found the one purple one. Ugh. You can get out real quick, I can clean this out quicker.
No.
Real quick.
No.
Okay, that was too easy.
Part of my summer morning routine is to film the LOL podcast 2 times a week. So I brought the star of her channel.
It's actually my channel?
It's
no, it's
actually her
mine.
channel. Salish Matter.
Yay!
So I recently heard you've met somebody.
Oh, I have?
Yes, you have. And you've been, talking to him recently. Have you been texting him or what have you been doing?
Nothing.
You have to tell me what have you been doing?
That's okay.
I've heard a bunch.
Next question.
So obviously we're growing up and we have crushes, right?
Oh, yes.
Yes, exactly. Like Jeremiah Fisher is your home screen.
I have to change that.
I was wondering why it was, but I was wondering, who is your crush right now?
I don't have one.
I know you do.
You already know.
Whoa, you're admitting that you have a crush.
Obviously.
Since you're not telling us, I'm just gonna tell the whole world.
no,
who
that's
it is.
okay.
Okay, guys, it's
Sandy, beep that.
it's I'm sorry, I just said it again, I'm sorry.
Sandy, beep both of those. Alrighty, well, let's move on to the question. Who is your crush?
Well, I don't really have a crush.
Oh, yes, you do.
I wouldn't say that I have a crush.
Is his name, See, she's smiling.
I'm sorry, no. Bleep that once again.
Aw, shit.
No. Do you want to talk about your obsession with Jeremiah Fisher?
Oh, I don't really have an obsession with him anymore.
So why is he your home screen?
Okay, I'll change it right now if you must. Okay, I changed it.
All right, yeah.
Are you happy?
I like that, yeah. Let's talk about your YouTube channel and how you got
My channel.
It's obviously Salish's channel, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's mine.
Y'all should really change that to Salish Matter, not Jordan Matter. It sounds better.
It just rolls off the tongue.
I know that your dad did some boring stuff like photography, 10-second challenges.
Yeah, I mean, the dancers were amazing, but he just went, go, go, go. Yeah, now cross in the middle of the street.
Yeah.
You're crossing the street of Firebird, go!
Okay.
Okay, we get one shot at this. Go!
Now get hit by a train.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Then once you started going on the channel, it started racking up all the followers.
Oh yeah.
Started getting millions and millions, and I'm talking tens of million followers. Are you aware you made this channel?
Oh, very much so.
It was on its back before.
It was like a bug trying to get up.
bug trying to get up.
I started helping out a little bit.
And then it
got
goes straight to his feet. It went, oh, all right, now I'm gonna stand up onto my feet.
Okay. Can we move on to the next letter? Do you guys want to hear anything from me? I can tell you about how I started my channel.
all right.
I'm going to tell you the story of my channel.
Thank
So the way I started my channel was, and Sandy, don't cut any of this. Okay, first
My dad hates ziplining, and I just saw him buy a ticket.
I'm right behind her.
He's literally right behind me. Guys, he's right there. Oh my gosh.
How are you doing?
I'm okay, thank you. Kind of scared.
What's your name?
It's Danny.
Have you ever ziplined?
Unfortunately, yeah, it's scary.
Unfortunately, yes. Are you excited to go again?
No.
Cool. Wow.
Alright, so I'm in the gear, guys. Don't judge me for the helmet.
You can tuck your head down.
Is this super scary or?
Yeah, it's the worst. Don't do it.
Oh.
No way. Oh my gosh. He's sitting right next to her, no way.
I love the Crocs. I mean, I feel like obviously I know him just because of the Crocs.
Oh, she looks kind of lonely. I kind of want to give up and just hang out with her. She has no idea it's me. She sat right next to me. She just.
Hey, are you excited to zip line? That's funny.
She was right there. Do you guys see how high we are? I can't believe she's doing it by herself. Look, she's all alone, just chilling. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Why are we doing this?
Moving forward. Me now.
If I don't do it, I lose the challenge again. I have to do the vacation she wants to do.
All right, come on up.
That's my daughter. I'm trying to hide from her. Is there any way I can not do it and get over there and then next thing?
We could walk down, but it's gonna take a minute. More fun just to zip it.
It's not fun, but if I don't zip it, then I'm gonna lose track of her, I think. Oh my gosh.
Dad, next time you should not be screaming in your normal voice. I can hear you.
You were right. I shouldn't have done it. Oh my God, we have to do another one. Okay, she's about to go again. This looks super scary.
Transfer the support.
This is so fast. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my God, that's so low.
He's screaming so loud.
That was scary.
Yeah.
Final round.
Okay,
Do you think you can pick mom?
Yes.
Are you that connected?
I think so.
You get to ask each of them one question, and it has to be the same question.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay, I got this. I have a good question. Number 1 contestant.
Hi, sweetie.
Hudson is the favorite kid. What do you think about that?
I hear you say it a lot, and honestly, it makes me really disappointed because of how much I love and care about you, and I really want to make sure I can treat you both equally.
Okay,
Even though it may feel that way sometimes, I love you.
That kind of sounded like my mom. All right, contestant number 2, you can come out.
Oh, hi.
Ooh, okay. So what do you think about the thing I just said? Hudson's the favorite sibling. What do you think?
I think you couldn't be farther from the truth.
Because the truth is, we love you so much, more than anything in this world, and nothing has made us happier than to watch you and Hudson grow up into the people that you're meant to be.
No, stop. I get it. That sounded a lot more emotional, you know? I think number 2 is my mom. Yay! I got it! Whoa!
No way.
Angel, this is so cool.
Wow.
we have reserved you 2 very special seats right in front.
Oh, thank you. Perfect.
This is a movie we made for you. It is the story of Salish and Nadal and your great friendship. I think you might find it a little cringy, but I hope you find it in your heart to also appreciate the emotion underneath the story. If you end up crying, that's okay. It's a safe space. Throughout her early years, Salish was a shy kid, but she would come alive with her friends, especially at gymnastics. They all grew up together, so they were inseparable. They were her best friends. Then 3 years ago, her world changed forever. We moved from New York to California, and she had to leave all of them behind. Days turned into weeks, which turned into months. She missed her friends in New York, and she had nobody in California.
That's kind of sad too.
Yeah.
One day I suggested that we do a gymnastics challenge on the beach in Santa Monica. I told her there was a kid I had worked with in the past who might be fun to compete against. His name was Nadal, and he was a world champion flipper. Usually when 2 kids meet for the first time, it takes a while before they get comfortable. But not Salish and Nadal. They bonded instantly. It was like nothing I've ever seen. Within 10 minutes, they were running on the beach, playing tag, and splashing each other in the ocean. From that moment on, they were best friends. Their friendship grew quickly, and soon they were seeing each other almost every day. They went to magical places and had incredible adventures.
This was so scary. I love this video though.
But after just a few months, the unthinkable happened. Nadal moved to Texas, and again, Salish had to say goodbye to a best friend.
She has no idea that Nadal is in this target. They're getting her ready, putting her mic back on and everything. This is so much fun, but I'm stressed out.
If I ruin the disguise, the whole surprise is over, so hopefully she doesn't catch me.
Okay, go blend in, go do target things.
All right. Hey, Colin, you're gonna need a disguise too.
Are we matching wigs?
Yeah. Oh my God. You look good, you look fire. Yeah, I can still tell it's you though.
So right now, owner is pretending that the mic doesn't work. We've got to stall while Colin gets his disguise, because if Salish sees Colin, she'll automatically know something's up. It stresses me out.
She's gonna notice me, I don't know what to wear. Honest impression, how's the wig look?
It'll work.
I don't believe that for a second. I just heard them say Salish.
Why is my dad being so sus?
You think he's being sus? Really? I wasn't like really paying attention, I guess, but that's kind of weird.
Can't stall anymore. She's going to start in Target.
Oh, that's kind of random, but okay. I wouldn't really go to Target for Nadal, but I mean, this is cool.
Find something really special for him. Maybe pick 5 different items.
5?
Pick 5 different ones and then pick the final one that you're gonna give him.
Oh, I actually have a good idea. First, I'm gonna do a hairstyle because his hair is like, but it's okay, I can fix it.
I'm calling Colin. Salish is right there. Hey, are you ready? Tell me where you are. I'm coming to you now. Go to electronics, okay? Hey, come on. They were in Halloween section, which is super close to Salish, so I told them to go to electronics, which is farther away.
We're going to the electronic. Oh wait, I need to have like the iPhone thing to look like a scanner.
Oh, that's good.
You know what I'm talking about?
Oh, she's here. Her buying a present for Nadal is stalling. She's walking right towards him. She's walking right towards him.
Wait, do you see her?
Yeah, she's right down there. Go.
She's right there, she's right there. Oh my God.
Salish and Nadal have grown up a lot in the last 5 months, and I seriously wonder how they will react to seeing each other again.
I have to talk to him and see him in his costume before Salish sees him.
I'm gonna get him some mousse because he thinks his hair is curly, so I'm gonna like tell him it's not. And then maybe some ultra fine hairspray. He needs some volume.
I don't know where they went. I don't see them. Do you see them?
Next, I'm gonna get him his favorite snack. 3 years ago, he used to really like Takis, but he needed them dipped in cream cheese. Found them. I'm so smart. I'm gonna get him this. All right, we got the cream cheese. Let's get him a doll.
A doll?
Mm-hmm.
A doll for Nadal.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
There's no way. She'll know.
Really?
Oh my God, there's no way. Dude, you look ridiculous. Oh, I forgot the scanner. Okay, I'll be right back. She's gonna know it's you, Colin. Just don't get caught anywhere, okay? I'll be right back. I have to go get the scanner before Salish sees him. I forgot the scanner, that was so stupid. Okay, here we go. If Salish sees me with this, she'll know something's up. I think she has a sense I'm up to something. She doesn't know what it is yet though, but she's definitely suspicious.
Ooh, how about we get these Queenie, the 3-pack?
and the blind box that just recently came out because, I mean, I know Needle probably collects these and he probably doesn't have the blind box yet, so that's good for him.
You see me jumping?
So I'm gonna have Nadal pretending to scan clothing right next to Salish. There's no reason for me to be filming right now, and there's no reason for me to be holding this, so if Salish sees either of them, she's gonna know something's up. Oh.
Oh my God.
Okay, there you go. Would Target let you have this hair?
Get them to the electronics section, that's where I'm gonna be.
Electronics section?
The next thing, let's go into electronics because, I don't know, you might like something from there.
Just have.
Oh my God, they're right there, run.
Shoot. Salish, she's suspicious, I can tell.
Can you tell me what's happening?
Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. We gotta get going.
Sus.
Maybe I should get him a book because I think he might need to be reading a little bit more. Yeah, no, he wouldn't like that. He definitely does need to be reading though.
Any posters?
No.
Not a poster?
No. Oh, maybe I could get him one of these brain quests. I used to have these all the time. He's in first grade, right? I could get the first grade one. Let's see if I can do this stuff. Oh, wait.
No way. No way.
Okay.
I think
Maybe you need it. Maybe.
Should we get it for him?
Let's get it.
All right.
I think you would love it.
Perfection.
Lincoln, she's thinking about her.
OMG.
I got this one last year. I'm getting one. Oh.
The snowflakes are cute.
Christmas
I feel like
year.
Nadal's gonna like this one.
Okay.
I feel like he likes red.
Okay, yeah.
Are you excited for Christmas?
Can you tell? I don't really know what I would get here. Let's just walk.
Alright, we should probably get a few more things from Nadal, right?
Yeah, thanks. I know he's been wanting this actually. He texted me that he wanted this.
A glitter pop socket?
Yeah.
Nadal? I don't know if he would like that.
He actually texted me. Or should I get this one? No? Alright, I guess neither.
No pop socket?
No.
Dang, okay.
Dang. Okay. Feel the spin you around.
Go that way, go that way, go that way. Oh, that was perfect. He's right there.
Look what I just found. That'll help my disguise so much. I can just act like I'm doing something.
And this is gonna be the last present. Which one's better? This, oh wow. This one or this one?
I like the blue one.
Okay, perfect. We got all of his gifts. Now we have to pick one?
It's obvious every time I get near Salish that she knows something is up.
Come here, I'm gonna go in front of her.
So I'm gonna come back in like 2
She's
weeks.
talking about her Christmas blankets like literally every day. My family and I just bought one of these 5 homes. Today, my daughter Salish and I will tour each one and challenge the Anazala family to guess which is our new home.
So if we don't get the home right, we're gonna get this whole slime dumped on our heads.
Not me.
First home, a brand new RV.
An RV?
That's so beautiful.
Is that Malibu?
Come on guys, let me show you our new home. I'm so excited because I've always wanted to live in an RV.
Oh, but actually I could kind of see that with Salish.
Now remember, we're gonna see 5 homes today and we are only going to be telling you the truth about one of them. The rest of the time, we're faking it. We love to travel and we've always dreamed of taking our home wherever we go, and now we can do it.
Normally in road trips, I just listen to music, but in this RV, I can watch TV the whole trip.
Yo, that's kind of like their house style now that they live in. Like they like the dark brown colors.
This fridge is so cool. Look how big it is. I can keep all my outside evils in here and it will be perfect.
She did a side eye, like she was lying. When Salish left, she's like, and it puts all my stuff in the fridge. Oh, wait, what if this is like a summertime purchase?
Oh, did he say that he was gonna buy whatever
Because
house?
summer's coming up and they're thinking about like doing a road trip.
How many times did I tell you we should go on a ride?
You told me, you don't even know how to drive a normal car to drive an RV.
Honey, you can't even ride a bike.
California has this amazing law that allows you to park an RV or van almost anywhere and stay as long as you want. We can go anywhere in California.
Okay,
Okay.
that was a little too much screaming. Something tells me he's trying to oversell it.
We're not being slimed, Jordans. You're not gonna fool us with this.
This is a primary bedroom.
Honestly, I really love this RV. It's
Actually, way nicer than I had thought.
2 years ago, we moved from New York to LA, and at that time, Salish and Hudson only ever lived in one house. So we have been obsessing over finding the perfect home for them to spend the rest of their teenage years.
He said the rest of their teenage years.
In an RV.
No, now we know.
In an RV.
And now we
But yo, you do understand, if we're wrong, we're gonna get slimed. So let's just not mess this one up.
I still cannot get over the fact that there's a toilet inside this vehicle. That's so cool.
She did not think that was cool. She's probably like, Dad, like, why would I want to be in a moving vehicle with a toilet?
This is perfect for me doing my laundry, my mom doing everybody else's laundry because, I mean, my dad and my brother don't do their laundry because they're a little lazy.
That reminds me of somebody.
When we toured the RV, this was probably my favorite part. Look, then you just hold the button and climb up. You're on it.
She didn't need anybody to help her do it. That means she already toured it and she knows how everything works.
Yes.
If they bought this for a road trip, we're going.
Yep.
I don't snore,
Yeah, you do.
but if I did, I'd sleep in here. Oh! Say a little help, you gotta unlatch this to get me. No, say no.
Right down, I'm going to bed.
I don't snore! Okay, I snore.
I don't know about Salish. She has gymnastics, she has school.
It's a nice RV, but I don't know about...
The only way he got it if it's just for the summer.
Hudson can't join us right now because he's in New York City doing a surprise video, but he had something very important to say.
All right, so I hear you're trying to guess which house we're moving into. I'm here in New York City shooting a video. However, I did want to give you a hint. We are moving to a...
Are you kidding me? Right when the horns... They're definitely messing with us.
Yep, they are.
I hope that helps. Good luck.
Hi. Welcome to our neighborhood. You know, we just moved in, so this is our new backyard. I just wanted to welcome you to our new home. If you ever want a cup of coffee, you can come in, absolutely.
She's probably a paid actor.
She probably owns the RV.
Look at Salish's face.
Ew. Not a nature girl. Maybe we'll park in a city next time. Woo! This is David. After an extensive search, he was able to find us the perfect RV home. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Lauren is gonna love the coach. I know Say loves it already. And you guys pick a good one.
Yeah, right, bro. He looked so uncomfortable saying that, like Jordan forced him to. Jordan's like, you're doing great, just keep going.
So what do you think, Asala? I know you loved your RV trip. Did we buy one?
They might have gotten it if they're going on a summer trip.
Yeah, I don't see them living there for the rest of their life.
This is really hard because each family member is so different in style and taste, so how could they all agree on one house?
Next house, Venice Beach.
Wow.
That's on the beach. If they actually got this house, I'm gonna be there every week.
I know Jordan, he loves beaches. That would be amazing.
First of all, just look at the new view of our home. Look at this.
So pretty.
This is crazy. We'll wake up every morning and hearing the ocean waves crashing. I'm so excited.
He's actually excited for this one.
Yo,
Jordan!
This might be the house.
Hi, we just moved in. We're gonna have a house party in like a week. You're welcome to be here. These are all my neighbors now.
He's trying to oversell it now. Jordan, you're trying to oversell it.
Imagine we didn't get this house and everybody shows up for a house party that doesn't exist. Or did we get the house? Did we? Didn't we? I don't know.
Come on, let's go.
How do you remember if we get it wrong, we're getting slimed? Dude, this house is
Actually nice.
We've had so many incredible memories on the beach together, us.
Aww, that's so cute.
She was so cute. Oh my god.
I see them buying this house.
She was so cute. Look at her.
I was not cute.
Okay. All this furniture isn't ours. This is staged by the realtor since we just bought it. They haven't even moved it out yet. When we do our official house tour, you'll see our furniture in here.
Only a person who bought a house would say something like that. Honey, remember, there's 3 more houses. So let's not jump to conclusions right now, okay? Remember the slime.
Look at how good this view is.
This is actually a really nice house and I feel like it fits them. So I'm leaning towards like that they actually got this.
This would be perfect for men's gymnastics. Look. And this could be like a bar for kicks. And kicks, more kicks, more kicks, more kicks. It's good for kicks.
And Salish loves gymnastics, and the fact that she brought it up in this house, it makes me feel like she's emotionally attached to the house.
When we moved to LA 3 years ago, the thing I said is like, one day, if we're really lucky, we can live on the beach and hear the waves. And that day is now. And it's just, I feel so lucky, really.
He's gonna cry.
No, you're not.
He's gonna cry.
Wait, I want to see the tears. If you did not get this house, you should get an Oscar.
The thing that actually might have sold me on this house, other than the beach itself, is this awesome coffee maker. I really like coffee.
He would want to save on Starbucks. He definitely got the house because it has that built-in.
There's this nice living space in the center where you can just chill. Salish and I often like to sit around and have really sweet conversations and talk about our emotions. Say I love you. Like that. If you live in LA, you know how rare it is to have a basement, but this house actually has one. It's right here. I can't show it to you because it's being renovated, but this is what it's gonna look like. A home gym! Wow! If you've watched any of our videos, you know how often we are on the beach. This was 10 steps from our house. Honestly, if you live in LA and then you live on the beach, you couldn't be luckier. And I am so grateful that we are here. We literally closed this deal on the house yesterday.
I
believe him.
I believe you.
This is my parents' bedroom, obviously. They have a really nice view of the beach. It's even nicer than the one downstairs. This is so nice.
What doesn't this house have?
I want this house. If you're not getting it, I want it.
I've heard that Ariana Grande has a beach house and it's this one.
They live next to Ariana Grande?
Jordan?
Jordan, me and you are gonna be so close. We're gonna be BFFs. Salish, you know my number.
Look at my parents' closet. They can fit so many clothes in this. I think I kind of want to organize it for them without telling them.
The most incredible thing about this house actually...
Yeah, enough talking. Come on, Sandy. Let me show you my room. Obviously, this is the most important part of the house. It's my room. Room reveal in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, so this is my room. Whoa, wait, Sandy, you're still not allowed in. Sorry. Okay, so this is my room.
That's what I was waiting for. Is she gonna let anyone in or not? If she didn't let anyone in, it means that it is their house.
That's a good point.
Yes.
I am so lucky to be able to live in this kind of room. It's really nice. I love it so much. I'm really excited to start decorating it. I'm gonna pick the things that I really want to change about this room so I don't have to spend too much of my money. If you guys want to see a whole video of me customizing my room, hit the like button.
It feels like they're trying to get us to get used to the house because they bought it.
Or they're trying to trick us so you could get slime.
This is Catherine, she's the realtor. We've been working like for months together to try and find a house. Like probably every house in LA she's shown us.
This one, just with the kids, with Stacey and Hudson just being able to run on the beach, they were so excited.
They bought it! Oh
She
my
said they
God. Yeah, she looks real. They got it.
Say and I are going to an event for the new Barbie movie, and I made a choice with my clothing that we'll see what she thinks.
I have to pick a dress, so can you guys help me? There's this dress. It's really pretty. It has like sparkles on it. This is just a plain white dress. I feel like this silver is just like a little too formal, so ta-da! I really like it. It's pretty simple. I just hope my dad looks good too.
What is he wearing?
What? They look like Malibu living kind of vibe.
So what do you think, Asala? Is this our house?
Mimi, hey, do you think Salish would like to live here?
Yeah.
Mila, remember, we'll be slimed if this was wrong. Are you sure?
Yes, I sure love to.
Okay, let's see.
Next house, LA suburb.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so this next house, I'm really excited to show you guys.
Oh, I love this house!
Okay, wait. I love the kitchen because I like the layout and I really like the wood. I like the sink because our current sink, it's way too tall, so I have to be on my tippy toes every time I do dishes.
So in the last two houses, it looked like she was acting, but this one she's talking like her words are rolling out of her mouth like it's on her own.
I really like the stove. It has 6 stovey things. So you make your pancakes, whatever. You eat your pancakes, obviously, because what else are you gonna do with them?
I feel like she's really thinking about everything in details and envisioning what's gonna happen in the house. She seems so excited.
For all the dads out there, if you're anything like me, you would be using this grill every day. I love to grill, always grilling, always cooking for the family.
I've never seen him cook a day in his life.
You know how to, no? Okay, I'll let Hudson grill. Yeah.
And this is the family room. You sit on the couch, you got your remote, and you put your feet up. If I'm tall enough, and you watch TV. The house we're living in right now has a fireplace, but we never use it.
She's detailing every single piece of this house. She knows exactly where it is. She's running directly towards it. She knows this.
Well, I mean, that was every house so far.
All right, let's go to the next room.
This is the main house. But now let me show you my office. It's not part of the main house, right? Completely separate from everybody else, and they've all decided this is where I need to be. You know why? Because I'm a loud guy. This isn't our furniture, it's stage furniture. When we move in, obviously we're gonna invite you guys back in to show you what we did with the house, but I'm thinking a desk right here.
I would actually be more excited for this house than the last house.
But I think he was way more excited than emotional for house number 2.
Is Say still doing the house tour? She is so jazzed up about this house.
The backyard is pretty big. The number one thing I want in the backyard is a built-in trampoline. That's just like a lot prettier from like a regular trampoline, so I really hope we can get one.
She loves the backyard, and the last house didn't have a backyard.
You're right. There's only beach.
And I know, they wouldn't want something that doesn't have a backyard. They have one dog, and I know they would care for grass and all the things that matter.
Every house we've looked at has had a beautiful view, except this one. What do you think? Do you think the view matters a lot to us?
Oh, wait, let me think about this one.
I think they care about view.
I think he was tricking us.
This bedroom is way too nice for us, but look.
Oh, wow!
That's so beautiful.
This house is really, really nice. Like, it's extremely nice.
I want to buy this house.
And what's even more ridiculous is the closet.
No! Give me the keys.
Easy.
Jordan, you wear the same thing every day. You have one black shirt. Why would you need this closet?
Maybe it's for Lauren.
Love you, Lauren. It has an elevator too!
This is ridiculous.
When you're done with this video, make sure to check out Dads versus Daughters on the Anazawa family channel.
You're going down.
You're going down. Time to show you my room.
Mimi, come.
Oh, look at Salish's room.
So like when I wake up, I see like that. Or, so I put my bed here, so when I wake up.
She did let someone else come into the room. Sandy was in the room they're filming, and she would not let him usually do that.
When I was growing up, I moved like literally every year, and I longed for a home of my own somewhere in the suburbs, and that's exactly what Hudson and Salish are gonna get now when we move into this new house.
He said somewhere in the suburbs, that's what he's wanted all his life. Why would he make something up like that?
He's trying to trick you so you could get slimed.
Do you think he's tricking us, or is this the house that they got?
I think Salish would like that.
I still think it's number 2.
You guys are obviously seeing how enthusiastic Salish is about this house. You think she could fake that?
The fact that he said that sounds like he wants me to think they got this house.
Boomer's making himself right at home.
Boomer!
They brought their dog?
Brought Boomer.
This is a brand new house that was just built, and it was made really energy efficient, which is very important to us.
It is brand new. Dude, he does not look like a realtor. He looks like Superman. He looks like an actor.
I'm so excited for you and Lauren, making memories, building memories in this home.
The face he gave, that was like pure acting.
Someone bought this house, was it us?
It does say sold. He's probably playing with us.
So what do you think?
Is this our new house?
I'm leaning to this house more.
I'm leaning beach house, number 2.
Next house, a castle in the Hollywood Hills.
What? No way they got that. No way. If you guys actually got this house, I'm questioning our friendship.
This is the most unique house we will ever live in.
Listen, if you guys actually got this house, I'd like drink this stuff, whatever this is.
Come on, let's go to our new castle house.
This is the most unique house I've ever been in, much less own. Would I buy this house, Asala? Would I?
No, you wouldn't.
Oh my God. Mila, do you think Salish would like to live in a castle like a princess?
Maybe.
There's a really beautiful story about why this castle was built. A man was dating a woman and she said to him, if you build me a castle, I'll marry you. So he did in the middle of the Hollywood Hills, and then they got married, which is such a romantic story. They got divorced, but we don't have to talk about that part.
I think Lauren will divorce you, Jordan, to get her this house.
This is the couch, right?
Oh, ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. That's what this living room looks like.
I need to find my room and Hudson's room. No, I don't think it would be in my room because I don't really love the tile.
So in the last house, she knew where her room was, but in this house, she doesn't even know anything. Yeah, she's not selling this.
This could totally be Hudson's room. The high windows, the big bed.
Okay,
No,
Salish,
no.
you did not.
I'm not feeling Salish on this one. No. I don't see them buying this, but I could see them renting it for a party or something.
Or for a video.
And of course the castle has, what do I call this? Castle-y art?
And the staircase.
This was the first property we looked at through Jordan and Lauren's house hunting.
She's not even dressed like a realtor. She's wearing a tank top and jeans.
You are the best realtor. One house and done. Or Sala, is this maybe a friend of the family?
Jordan, let's move on, bro.
Even the lady doesn't look convinced. Okay, so this is the final house. I think for now I'm still set on number 3.
I'm number 2.
The final house is in the mountains.
Whoa!
This is beautiful.
One of my favorite features about this house.
They even have golf in this house? This is an insane house.
That doesn't count. With a yard like this, it's almost too easy to do gymnastics.
This backyard is amazing.
That's not even the backyard, that's the front yard.
Of all the houses we've shown you, this one absolutely has the most property and the most privacy. So if you think that's important to us, this is obviously the house we picked.
I've never had a hot tub in my house, but this is so cool. I could fit all of my friends in here.
Even though I seem high energy all the time, I actually really love peace and quiet, and this house on the top of a mountain gives me exactly that. What do you think? Is that true?
I don't know if that's true, but I think this is a really nice house.
We don't have any neighbors! Okay, we have one neighbor. The owners are moving out, so there's some packing being done right now. Very quick tour. This is the living room. This is my bedroom!
That's nice. Every morning. Honestly, this house does look like a potential.
This looks like them.
I have to pick my seat, so, okay. No. Maybe. No. I think this one, Mom, what do you think?
That's a good one. I want one with lots of elbow room.
Lauren is there.
The fact that they brought Lauren for this house only?
They're living there.
So wait, that means house number 3 wasn't it? Maybe they brought her to throw us off.
As you see, they're packing everything up, but check it out. We go through the living room and into the kitchen.
Wow.
That's a nice kitchen. It actually reminds me of the vibe in their current house.
I think they'd like something like that. You guys, this could be it.
Okay, do you like this house? Isn't it so pretty? What's your favorite part?
We've been talking about converting this into a game room. Ping pong table there, this view, a little soda machine over there, and maybe popcorn. I don't know, but it'll be awesome. The person who introduced me to the owner is Dar Man. They're good friends apparently, and Dar is on the phone right now.
Do you love it or do you love it?
Love it.
The fact that Darman is on FaceTime and telling him, that means they were serious about this house.
I'm not too sure. Dar is really good at acting. He literally owns a whole acting corporation, babe.
I'm so excited for you guys, and the best part is you're even closer to me now, so I can see you guys all the time.
We're like almost next door neighbors.
Congrats again.
Thank you so much.
So Sala, is this really my friend's house, or am I just messing with you?
We're gonna live here together.
Wow.
What a beautiful backyard.
This is insane.
Yeah.
I'm gonna push you real quick.
No!
Here we go.
No.
Oh, just like old time.
I'm not your baby anymore, Dad.
Cue the thing.
No, don't cue the thing.
Oh, I really don't want Mila to grow up like that.
Don't do that graphic.
No, leave it, Sandy. Leave it.
Go!
I'm not gonna lie, this house gave me really good vibes. I don't know if it's Jordan's speech that sold it, but I don't know. I felt really good. I felt warm. I felt love. I felt it all in this one.
If we didn't buy this house, why? It's perfect.
Okay, honey. Now it's time for the final decision.
Oh my gosh.
You have seen 5 homes, and we would be incredibly lucky to live in any one of them.
All 5 were amazing, but only one of them felt like home.
And we will put the links in the description for all the homes we
Dad,
didn't
come on,
buy.
just tell them which
Okay,
one we
I'll
want.
tell them. But first, you have to make your decision. Do it right now.
Let's eliminate first.
Okay.
4, it's not it, right?
100%.
It's not 1 either. I don't think they're gonna live in an RV. So we have 3 left. 2, 3, and 5.
Ah, that's hard.
I think it's gonna be... I think it's gonna be the beach house.
Just to clarify, I have no idea which house they got. I think 2 makes sense because they love the beach.
And Jordan was very emotional.
They were emotional.
Like, he cried.
They put playbacks of Salish when she was young. Jordan would get house number 2. Lauren and all of you might get house number 5, but I also know Jordan thinks maybe it's too big for them. And then 3, I personally think Salish was the most connected to house number 3. It feels homey, it's suburban.
I think it's 2. 3, 2, 1, go.
3.
Whoever gets it wrong gets slime. But if we're both wrong, we're both slime, okay? Okay, so now let's watch.
And for the big reveal, our new house is...
Number 3!
No way, actually?
We are so excited. This is our dream home, and we look forward to sharing with you for many years to come.
You almost made me pick 2 with you. Congrats on house number 3! Ah! Oh my goodness. We love you guys so much. Subscribe, like, share. There's a little bit more.
Why didn't you buy the beach house?
I have been pranking YouTubers all year. What? She's so angry! And these are the top 10 that have never been seen before.
You're really hot. Will you be my girlfriend? It's Nadal's birthday, and I baked him this cake. But first, I'm gonna prank him into pushing this into his own face.
I'm gonna tell Nadal that we have to take a thumbnail for his birthday vlog, and he's gotta hold the cake and the 2 heavy bags, but the bags are so loaded with the sand that when Salish cuts the string, the cake goes in his face.
Ready?
No? Okay, just stay there for a second. The longer he holds it, the more. Okay, keep looking. Nadal, closer, like you're blowing out the candle. Let me see if you can do it. Don't drop the cake no matter what. Nadal, is it heavy?
Hurry up!
Okay, sorry. Okay, ready? And go. Oh!
Oh my god, Dad! Oh my gosh, I can't believe you do that to me. Oh, it's like in my hair and I'm gonna pay for that.
Sophie Dossi just released a brand new line of merch and it is gorgeous, but I'm going to prank her right now by making her think that somebody is about to sue her for stealing their design. I have a friend, Nick, who just went Instant Influencer with ZHC.
So I'm gonna pretend like I created her original concepts for all her merch line. I'm gonna recreate those designs on Photoshop.
Then he put it in an Instagram post that looks like it was a year ago and sent that to Sophie in her DMs, knowing she would never see it.
Hey, Jordan.
Hey, Soph, how you doing? Real quick question, this is awkward, but did you design your own merch?
Yeah.
Like, did you have anybody help you?
A little bit of help, but
Do you happen to know if that person who gave you a little bit of help maybe drew some inspiration from anyone else? Any other artists?
On what?
No? Did you know Instant Influencer this year with ZHC?
yeah.
The winner of that, the guy's name is Nick. He literally just called me and he said that he saw your merch and the design of your merch is the exact same thing that he designed a year ago in an art project. And he posted it on Instagram like a year ago. And he DM'd you about it a few days ago. He's like really mad. Like he's talking to attorneys because he showed me the design. It looks like exactly the same. Check your DMs. His name is Nick's Art.
He follows me. Oh, what?
Yeah.
Tuesday? What? No, because Mom. What? Wait, this isn't a YouTube video, right? Like this for real?
Okay, it's a YouTube video.
Oh my god, I was gonna be like, there's no way! Oh my god! What? I was like, I checked for copyright! You guys can get my merch at Shop Sophie Dossi. It isn't copied from anybody, guys.
I am right in front of Pearson's house from the AMP Squad, and this is Pearson's mom and her boyfriend. But today, this is Mom's boyfriend.
Hi, babe.
Hey, baby. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. One person who subscribes in the next 7 days will win an iPhone 13. Last week's winner was Sam, and he won Apple AirPods Pro. You could be next.
Hi, Logie.
What's up, PP?
Oh my god, I'm so tired.
There are hidden cameras everywhere, and Pearson is expecting to meet her mom's new boyfriend, but she thinks he's 50 years old.
Hello.
Hi, Mama.
Here
Hi, Mom.
Happy holidays. I brought a friend with me. This
Hey.
is my
Hi.
new friend. This is Harrison. This is Logan.
It's good to meet you.
Nice to meet
That's
you.
Pearson.
Hi.
I finally get you guys to meet him. So,
What?
we've been dating for a while.
Oh, okay. Where did you guys meet again?
Well, I was just swiping on Tinder and
I know.
Mother, you're on Tinder?
I know. I didn't want to tell anyone, but
That would, dang.
so I finally want you guys to meet him. So
Aw.
I'm gonna show him around Huntington, show him around town.
yeah, you guys have a beautiful house.
Aw.
Seriously.
Thank you. How old are you?
Oh, I'll be 19 next week.
19? Holy
We like all the same things.
Yeah, he
Classic
likes-
rock.
yeah.
Aw. Aw, cute.
You guys have been talking for how long?
It's been like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna show him around. We'll be right back.
Great meeting you guys.
Yeah,
for real.
Yeah,
Go
cool.
up there. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Bro, Mom's on Tinder. He's really cute though. But not for her. Yeah, but that's weird. Oh my god, that's weird. There's no way that they last. He's younger than me. He's younger than you.
Awesome. So beautiful up there.
Hey, do you think it's cool if I just like jump over into the river?
Sure. You gotta be careful.
You ended up not doing it?
Yeah, it just looked a little too far down.
You got a good one, Mama. He's pretty cute.
I know,
Like,
right?
so cute.
Damn. Okay, all right. We can leave that. We can leave that for the bedroom. We can leave that for the bedroom. Away from us, your children.
He always told me to be happy, you know, and just try to get out there and date. So I was
Yeah.
like, I'm gonna just do it, and this
Yeah.
is what happened.
That's awesome.
I'm so glad it did. Listen, I wanted to say this now after getting to meet you guys. Well, I just can't
What?
believe I'm doing this.
What? What are you doing?
You married me.
What? Are you doing? Are you serious? Harrison! Oh my god! Yeah, I guess, yeah! It's so weird.
God, wait, you just started dating though. We're moving real quick.
And you've been pranked!
What?
This is a prank. Logan was in on it the entire time, and now he has a challenge for Pearson.
What? You guys kissed though! Wait, but you guys kissed!
We have cameras literally everywhere, and I just want to let you know you've been pranked, and I will give you $1,000 if you can guess who it is. But you only get one guess.
I only get one guess?
You only get one guess.
I only get one guess for $1,000, dude.
For $1,000.
This is a big prank. I'm gonna say Brent. This is by far the best prank that has ever been pulled.
Give us 200,000 likes. Maybe Pearson will help me get Brent next time. What do you think?
Oh my God, we have to.
Right now we are doing a video with Dr. Mike and we're about to prank him. I'm gonna put this in this bag like it's poop and I'm gonna say, I need to give you a stool sample, which is a poop sample. I'm gonna mix it with coffee grounds to make it look really authentic. Can I just talk to you about one thing? Yeah. Okay, my stomach has been upset lately, and I know as a doctor that you see this all the time. This is awkward, and I'm sorry because we're shooting a video together.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Last time I used the bathroom, I just used a plastic bag and I did a stool sample.
You brought it?
Yeah.
This is what should I do with that?
Can you run this or something just to make sure that it like works? Like it's healthy?
I don't have the equipment. I mean, it's diarrhea. Where did you get this bag?
You can scoop a part of it out, can't you?
Why would I scoop it?
It doesn't smell like it usually smells.
Dude, why? It's
That's a prank. I can't do it anymore. I was about to.
I thought you were about to eat it for a second. I've had interesting stuff happen in exam rooms before, but this is a first.
It's good. It's Nutella.
I'm in front of Piper Raquel's house. I'm about to go in to shoot the cover for her single, which she just put out, which is awesome, but I'm gonna pretend it's not and prank her. Hunter's in on it, so he's gonna film us.
I got you.
Hunter hit a camera up there, so she doesn't know she's speaking.
We got this.
Hey guys. How you doing?
Good. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Can I touch your seat?
The song. Listen to the song.
Yeah.
And I don't really like it.
The one I sent you?
I don't know if I take a photo and put my name on it. It's a little like K-poppy.
I mean, I wish it would come.
Some people like it. It's just not really my taste.
Is everything okay?
Let's just talk to Becker about it.
What's happening?
Nothing. I just, you know, my brand is important to me, and I'm not sure if that song is like my brand.
I literally filmed it 3 times. I mean, like, I'm actually taking this like seriously.
Oh, I'm sure, and I've heard your other songs, but I don't know. I just was thinking maybe I shouldn't do this personally.
Say that it's not good, then you know.
I wouldn't say that it's not good. I'm just saying personally, it's not my like jam. I still want to totally work together another time. We should collab again, but like for this, I just can't. I love working with you guys. I don't want to like ruin that. I'm just gonna go. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I just respect you too much. I can't do this anymore.
Piper, don't get angry. You're so mad. No, she's so angry. No.
I couldn't. The song is dope. I'm sorry. Let's take an awesome cover. 10 million streams. 10 million streams. Listen to this song. It's dope. That was a prank. My cameraman is right over there prepping for a shoot. I am going to go break his camera and replace it with one he's always wanted. The red camera. Yes. Look, I got you a red camera. That's a total prank. We've been pranking people all year. I just pranked him and he totally bought it. Red camera, my man. You jerk. That was the #1 most requested prank on Instagram, and he never watches Instagram, so he didn't know.
I am in Columbia, South Carolina, and I'm about to prank Lily Ketchman. This is where we're supposed to meet for a photo shoot. I'm gonna pretend that I flew to Columbia, Maryland. Jack and Afaf are in on it, and Jack's gonna signal me when I should call Stacy. We have a camera hidden on this little kiosk where they check in so they'll never know they're being filmed.
It's prank time, baby.
Hey, what's up? How are y'all doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. The gym's right around here.
They got up really early to drive here today.
So where's Jordan?
Last time I talked to him, he said he was getting on a flight.
Hello? Are you here?
I'm on the plane.
What?
I think I made a big mistake. I took a flight to Columbia, Maryland.
What? No!
Are you guys in Columbia, South Carolina or Columbia, Maryland? I'm totally confused.
We told him South Carolina like a week ago when he booked this flight.
Jordan, seriously, you're me right now, right? You are not in the wrong state.
How could you mess that up?
Literally.
You've been here before.
We just drove like 4 hours of traffic to get here and you're telling me that you're in
I'm sure I can get a flight today. Can you just wait at the gym? I'll be there in like 6 hours.
Wait at the gym?
6 hours? We can't just wait.
Bye.
Oh.
No, I can't.
I literally cannot believe he just stood all of us up. All right, let's go to lunch and come up with a better video. We should go. Like,
I'm so rude.
Whoa, whoa, don't leave. Whoa. What? Stop.
Oh my God.
I'm about to prank Anas from the Anasala family out of $1,000. Check this out. Let's play to a game of 11. I bet you $100 I win.
Not $100 it is.
Okay? I'm going to let Anas win the $100 by playing with my left hand. I'm a righty. Whoa, look at that! 3-0. Ah! I lost. I was a little nervous, but I feel good now. I shook it out. One more round for 1,000.
Oh, we're going up.
$1,000, good? Okay, $1,000. I am now going to beat him with my right hand and win $1,000. So this time I'm gonna use my right hand. I'm not a lefty. Here we go.
So, so all that you did, what? Man, this guy.
Sorry, huh? Did we not talk about that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, that was a nice shot. I'll just give that to you. Are you freaking kidding me right now? I'm supposed to be hustling him right now. Oh! What the heck what was that? You do a prank compilation video, that means you prank the people. That's the whole point. The audience wants to see a prank and you're beating me.
No one pranks me in my, oh, you take it?
What? Are you?
Dear the fans of Mr. Jordan Matter, life sucks for him today. Leave a like, subscribe to his channel. He needs it.
We're totally gonna prank Lauren. This phone, it's a dead phone. This is the case that she uses. I'm gonna go, I need to film a TikTok with your phone. I'm gonna replace it with this one, and then I'm gonna throw it into the ocean by accident.
Damn.
The new dare. You have to give Jordan your phone and let him record a TikTok of you.
Okay. I need you to like really try though. Like make it cool.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I can.
You can't go too much.
Okay, just a little.
Yeah, just a little.
Oh my God, this is so good. All right, let's just pull myself together. Okay.
Just do whatever you feel is right. You're a photographer.
Wait, should we go that way or go straight here?
I mean,
I think maybe just straight. Okay, let's do it. Let's just do it.
Okay.
Ready? I just want to be. Let me. Oh my God!
Shut up. You did not.
Oh my God, Lauren, I'm so sorry.
I hope this is a prank. What? Bro, what? No.
You handled that so well. Thank you. That was a total prank.
Where's my phone? Oh my
Your
God.
phone is right here.
Oh my God. I was like, oh my God.
Okay, right now Ben is filming a video with Salish and the doll, so we are going to prank him. Watch this.
First question now. We only got like 1 minute because Salish isn't back in, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so first thing, how do I ask her to be my girlfriend?
You want to ask Salish to be your girlfriend?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're too young for that.
No, I'm not.
You want to ask her to be your girlfriend?
Yes.
And how are you gonna do that?
Maybe like, hey, you're hot. Do you want to be my girlfriend?
Okay, hold up. Don't say that. You're just gonna call her hot? Like, what about like her personality? Say she's nice. Don't just go straight for like the hey, you're hot. I would start with like, hey, like you're really nice. You're funny. You have a nice smile. Other than just like you're hot.
And also another question: how do you kiss her? Like,
You're okay. First of all, you're too young to do that. I wouldn't worry about that. Just go straight.
No, just tell me. Like how?
I don't know. What do you want me to say? Like how?
Give me an answer. Guys, are you ready to shoot? Like, hurry up. So, I have to tell you something. What? You're really hot. Will you be my girlfriend? No. No? It's a prank!
What? You keep using my daughter to get to 10 million before I get there. We had to get you back.
No, I told you everything not to say, and then you said it.
Look, there's a camera.
Okay.
Here's another camera right here. Hi.
Honestly, I deserve this because Salish has been in more of my videos than her own deck. Subscribe to Jordan. Don't subscribe to me. He has to be me.
$5 for a selfie with Abby Lee. Abby Lee Miller of Dance Moms.
Wet garbage!
Oh no!
Criticize my appearance. Criticize how I dress. I feel like you owe me an apology. I've been waiting for it for 2 years.
Hello everyone, I am on Santa Monica Beach with the one and only Abby Lee Miller. She's made a good living talking for
Yelling,
hours.
yelling.
If she's able to stay silent for 24 straight hours and not say a word.
What do you mean I'm not allowed to talk?
Okay, here's the deal.
I'm not allowed? You're not permitting me? This
We
is
are going to,
America.
how hard is it?
24 hours?
3, 2, 1. Let's just take a minute and, wow, appreciate this. This is incredible. If Abby Lee Miller can stay quiet for 24 hours, she gets a massage by the one and only Scott Matheson.
All right, I'm gonna flirt with her and see if this can get her to talk. I'm gonna massage you in any way you like. So what I wanna know is, how do you want me to massage you? Where do you like to be massaged? Do you even like massages?
Abby, just tell him what you want.
Because I love using massage oil when I massage. You wanna touch? Oh, there it is. There it is, yup.
So now you know what you get if you are able to stay silent for 24 hours.
I was gonna flirt with him and I was gonna make him turn red. Not just his face, all the way. I couldn't talk, couldn't say anything. I need to, the witty repartee.
Abby, we have a special guest today. Presley Osbach!
I got in trouble on the very first day of Dance Moms for wearing plaid pants. So today I'm wearing bright yellow, baggy plaid pants that cut off at the ankle, which she hates.
Woo! She's a skateboarder now and a dancer.
I mean, a dancer on a skateboard, one accident, stupid. Your career is over. I mean, look at me. I wasn't even on a skateboard.
Looking at your profile pic right now, and I think you need an update. I've got a special guest that's gonna help you get a really awesome profile pic. One and only Solo Flow. Hey, Saul. Saul.
I'm gonna pretend to be